Yo, Hans Otto, what's up? See, I think we got everything ready to go. We're still working on textures. Yeah. I think I'm actually daring enough to start working on the hot reloading at this point. Because I mean it should be alright, maybe. Where are the planets, bro? You wanna see some planets? I will show you some planets. Let's move this over to there. Take this one over here. We'll go here, and we'll take this one actually like that. Yeah. Space time start. All right. And Sig will run. Now, it's not a sphere yet. Maybe I should try to get a sphere. But that's pretty close to a planet, am I right? Now, for the hot reloading, I think I need to try out one thing. I need to... I'm gonna create a temporary function for this public fn create or init a renderer, right? And it's gonna return just a renderer reference. Move cam or fake 3D. Well, actually, we should have the stuff for it to be able to move, but I have fucked up one thing, so it's not moving. All right, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna take all of this. We're gonna take it from here, and we're gonna put it in here instead. All right. You're right. Now we don't have that. We need to take in the allocator. Okay, allocator. std allocator, like so. And anything else? No. Then we just return renderer. This is not a I'm feeling a bit unsure about that. I know. We'll see if it works. No, we need to take in the window. Yes. Window. You'll have that window. Like so. And then that should be fine. Almost fine. Local memory is never mutated. Right, so I think I need to pass it then by... yeah. Pointer like so. But that should then... Yeah. Okay. And then we can do a, because I think I need to have it as here. Renderer. Not that kind of renderer. Renderer equals init renderer. Ah, what was it? It was, no, what it is? Oh, what did I do? Or not what I wanted to do, obviously. Wait, was it? It was BIW. No, fuck. BIX. What the heck are we doing? It was WI. No, it wasn't that. B. I'm pretty sure it was something with block. No. B? Just don't make it var. Use const and don't return pointer or to local stack variable. Ah. What? No. This is. Wait. Am I thinking wrong? Isn't this creating with the allocator like right? No. Yes. But I need to. I need. What was the shortcut for this? I forgot. It was select block somehow. I always use it by accident. I never use it when I'm supposed to use it. Was it C? Oh, it was CIV. I don't know. Anyway, so it's close enough. We're gonna pass the allocator and then we're gonna pass in the window. But still const. And then I'm gonna try that. And never mind, I'm trolling. But still const. Actually, it's... No, I think you're right still with the fact that it's gonna be local, because this is the init, like this, it's just, it's, oh fuck, I might, yeah, this, I have to change the logic, don't I? Oh shit. Because what I actually need is, this is gonna be invalid. Oh no, oh no. Assembly better. Yes, okay. This should not work though at all. Let's see. A parameter of opaque type window. Wait, what? Isn't it? That should be fine. Oh wait. Wait. Where do I... pointer, I guess, but... Okay. Maybe it is fine then. I was not expecting that to be fine. What I then wanted to do was to do this. So I'm gonna take this away from here. What's up, Lucas the Gooner? What's up, Setter? Gonna paste that in here, and that should still work the same way. No, okay. Hallucinating. Let's see. Upload mesh render found const. Right. Can I do this then? Car. We're making a car now. Okay, that works too. Great. This is what I wanted to try. I wanted to try, can I... Is this allowed? Because if this is allowed, then this is gonna be so freaking easy. Pointer to window, it's a handle. Yes. I think my stream is, yeah, it's super delayed. It's 62% of the frames has already been dropped. Which is great. Because that means you guys are probably like watching. It's a 11-minute stream already, and you're probably like watching 10 minutes behind or something. This is awesome. Let me check quickly. Like, can I do something about it? Because I don't think I can. Like, let's see, streaming. What's wrong with init renderer? I will show you. No. This is actually just for testing purposes. It's not wrong. It's out of convenience that I do this. Actually, I will show you real soon why. Like this I should be fine with streaming with 11,000, but I have 7,000, just for the sake. So I have, and then yeah, this, but that shouldn't be a problem. Like I should have more than plenty. This could be a problem, but I'm not sure. Shouldn't be. I don't know. Just deal with it, alright? You're behind. This is why I wanted to take it as a function. Because that means that now I think I should be able to do this. Wait. Oops. I'm gonna yank it. And then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do this. Without the comments, ideally. Oh, for fuck's sake. Nothing works. 640 so far, yeah, so half of the stream when you said 11 minutes. Yeah, my AI swear to me, it's source code. Dude, I'm so heavy regret quitting sport so much. What? That's crazy. Okay, fuck. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to take this, yank it, paste it, and we're gonna remove the defer and deinitialize it immediately, and then we're gonna initialize it again, and then we're gonna call that. Because if this works out of the box like this, that would be crazy. But let's see what happens. It actually does work. Okay. And no memory leaks. No memory leaks. Have you tried downloading more? Bro! Yes, I was considering it, if I should download more RAM. Because I doubt that 64 gigs is enough when I'm using I'm using gigs. I wonder why I'm using so much. Like I have okay, actually I have quite a lot running at the moment. But yeah, this is why I wanted to separate it into a function, because that right now we create the renderer, right? We allocate it, and then we deinitialize it. But then we initialize it again. This is where the hot reloading will come in, because now we can load in the new initialization functions, initialize it, destroy the old one, and load in the new thing, and it will render the new stuff. Because we just destroyed the whole Vulkan application while it was running and started it over again. Let's actually try if we run it in a few loop iterations, right? Just for testing also this. We're gonna take a number. We're gonna do int I. This is not good. Counter is equal to 0, right? But this is not how you do it in sync. Sorry guys, don't judge me, okay? Oh my god. I32, alright? Oh, I probably should use usize. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And then in here, you're gonna do counter. Yeah, okay, I don't know did my LSP break or something? Let me just quickly. I don't know what's going on with my NeoVim, it's completely broken. No, it doesn't register anything. What the fuck? Yeah. My commands are completely broken. I cannot use my leader command. What? Okay, I don't know. The code is cooked. Chill with the RAM. Like This code is cooked. Oh my god, but why can I not? I cannot. Let's just chew it all and let's open it again. Yeah, now it works. I don't know what happened there, but it's wrong file. That's not the right one either. This is the one. You programmed, you made music, now it's time for art stream. Ah, no, I don't C is better than 2 times Sig. Bro, your main code have 19 lines, lol. What? My main has 185 lines. C is pretty cool. If Sig wouldn't exist, I would use C, but Sig exists, so I'm using Sig, alright? For here, we're gonna do... Now I can do counter plus equals 1. And then... We're gonna render the whole thing, and we're not gonna break. Instead, what we're gonna do... At the beginning of the loop, I think it should halt it, right? It shouldn't allow, because you should try to initialize the next thing before. Oh fuck, this might be a big issue actually. I need to really think where I'm putting this thing right now. Fuck it. By coincidence, this actually might work out, and I'm gonna roll with it. Actually, how fast does it increment? std debug print. It was BIW. Fuck! It was CIW. Nah, it wasn't that. It was CIB. Aha! Easy. First try. Number. And we're gonna do a D for integer, as my friend used to say. And then we're gonna also put a new line, because those are really good. And then we're gonna do the counter. Bam! And like so. Let's see how fast it goes up in value. It goes... Okay, so about 10,000 is quite a reasonable value. So, I think that's a good point. If counter equals 10,000, I just want to do the switch once. Don't need to do it multiple times. And I'm not gonna do... Well, I guess I can call defer on it still, because it will still just call defer on the actual pointer that it has at the moment. So it shouldn't... Or I don't know, I think that's how Sig works. But I'm not sure, to be honest. So I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit, you know. Fuck. I'm too fast. Bro, you're maker blah blah blah. Bro, you are on the same line since I joined the channel. And bro, I have some important question for you. Tell me. We're gonna do this, alright? And we're going to... When this happens, we should probably not do that. And then we have to do this in reverse order. First we have to deinitialize it, and then we're gonna initialize a new one. And then also, because we are good programmers, when the loop is done, we're gonna deinitialize the thing in here like this. And in theory this should work. Let's see what actually happens. But I did it wrong. Wow. Address leaked. Oh, whoa, look at that. Yeah, we're not gonna do 2 of them. Why is it complaining? Expected after field. What the hell? What? Huh? Expected a comma? Ah. What? No. That looks hella weird. What the fuck? What's going on? Ah. How did I remove that by accident? When did I remove that? What the fuck? I don't know. My NeoVim is weird. It removes stuff without my But still something is off. Why?
There's a bracket somewhere which is
Now we're good to go.
Wait,
When we hit
where?
10,000, let's see what happens. Oh! Did you guys see that?
not a single issue. It just worked.
Okay, guys, hot reloading. Here we come. On the fucking renderer, on the graphics pipeline, we're gonna get hot reloading working. Because it just works like that. Boom. Exactly.
Oh, we gotta get Bill Gates on the line. Gotta let him know.
Bro, what's your religion, bro? My religion? I'm not really religious, to be honest.
Sig?
Sig? Depending on what you mean by that, to be honest. I'm not very religious. I do
Intern.
belong to the church. I belong. I'm their possession. But I'm not very religious, to be honest. Well, I do follow a lot of religious virtues, so to speak, or ideas, because I just think they're great. But I'm not. I wouldn't say I'm a believer or something like that, if that's what you mean.
He's a believer.
Yes. I believe in Steve. Okay. Shit. No. I didn't mean that. Yeah, that I meant. Okay. And then we'll do an else, if just for the sake of... I just still want to check the memory leaks if we're equal at 20,000. I'm just gonna... This is great code, boys. We're just gonna break in that case. And I want to see the maybe I should just break actually at we're gonna break a little bit earlier because I don't want to see so many more prints. I think I just want to see 1,000. Let's go 5 iterations. And then you should bam. Oh shit.
There, it was something wrong. Let's see what actually happened. So it got through here, it it and then it allocated a new one. But then when it's an address got leaked here somehow, which I don't understand how. Because nothing should be able to get leaked in here. Right, but is it because draw? No. You shouldn't even have a chance to get into any of these. Bro, I don't figure out, are you a Jew or not? It's the main question. What? What? I'm confused. What? You need to be more precise in the question. What do you mean? Because right now I don't know what I'm answering to. Something is not right here, and I can't really put my finger on what it could be, because I think that all of this it goes here, it calls deinitialize, it's called initialize, the new one, it breaks, it goes from this, it goes here, and it calls but isn't this is not a pointer, is it? Does it have to be a pointer? I think it has. No, it should still have access to the... Am I stupid? Let's try something else. What happens if we do... If we do this, okay? We're gonna do... Fuck. We're gonna do fuck, boys. We're gonna do that, we're gonna yank it, we're gonna go here, we're gonna select this, we're gonna override with that, and let's see what this does. So then should do 2 recreations. And because I have the... Let's see. That seems to be fine. And why And it didn't yap about something being wrong, because usually it crashes if I do something... No, wait, it doesn't. I don't like this. And let's try and just doing it here. If counter equals... What did I have there? I had that, so I'm gonna say... Let's say that. Then we're gonna break. Yeah, okay, we do have some memory issues. Fuck. But I don't understand from where, because this should call deinitialize it on it. I don't understand. Are you a Jew or are you not a Jew? Just give me the answer. I'm not a Jew. What would that matter? Or is it like, I don't know. Wait. No, the DNit should take care of all of those things, because otherwise I should right now have leaks in this. Right. Sorry, I have to do shortcuts. Oh yeah, I actually might have leaks in this. Okay, the problem is not there. The problem is because I'm stupid and doing the... Whoa. Woo! This is the problem. Okay, no worries. Okay. I'm looking at the wrong thing. That's why. Okay, we're gonna fix this. And then we're gonna get good. Maybe I should get good before trying to fix it. Anyways, tracking object, VK device, descriptor set has not been destroyed. All trading object traits on a device can be destroyed. Blah 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 blah. We have to destroy the descriptor sets. Now, that should happen. Unless it doesn't. But I do call deinit. This is the only place where I do allocate, and I think I should be descriptor pool. Pools. Destroy descriptor pool. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Wait, where do I... I'm actually missing something. Destroy device. Where do I... The descriptor set. Descriptor set layout. I want the actual descriptor set here. And descriptor allocate what structure are we inside? We are inside of the growable. W. Alright. He doesn't want to tell us. What don't I want to tell us? But in the allocate, so through here, allocate the descriptor set, allocate info, then we do the descriptor set, and then here allocate descriptor set result yada yada. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. And the descriptor set, then I return the... Oh, so this thing has to be stored and destroyed. And I probably don't do that. Alright. So we have to find these. And I think they're only happening here. Was it capital A? No way, I called it capital A, right? No, I was like, what the fuck, why would I do that? Allocate. And then we're gonna find all of these. There's one, image set. I probably never destroy that one. And draw image descriptor. This one I do destroy. But this one I don't. Hey, someone posted your kick stream in the Discord. If you wanna... no, that's good. Okay, you are one of my homies right now. Alright. We don't... Great. Alright, so... This thing. Image set. This happens on every...
Okay, so I have to... Okay, we're gonna try... I think I just have to do this. I'm not sure because, again, when I created this thing, it was... I followed the damn OOOP thingy and it... Bleh. But let's see. I'm actually gonna do this and we're gonna check it out real quick, right? We're gonna see how messed up it is. Let's see, where do I have it? I'm gonna rewrite that thing. Like, Jesus Christ, it's horrible, but I think it's still good, but it's just because it's object-oriented design. It's like, Okay, here. Actually, we don't need that anymore. We can take that away. Move this over to here, like so. And we can look at this thing here. Because this thing has to get destroyed at some point, but it doesn't. Okay, then it has to get allocated to this thing, right? But they just... What the hell? Frame data. Growable. I wanna get to the... Why can I not just get to the damn class? Bruh. Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. Because I want... Where I want to get is to just see the... Okay. I want to get to this. And that's not there, that's not there, not there. Here, somewhere around these corners, it's gonna be... Delete Vulkan. Not gonna happen. Let's see. Where's the damn function called? Like, for real, like... C++ is such a horrendous language, Jesus Christ. I'm telling you guys. Ah. Just wanna get to this thing. Hello, did you retire from your music career? No, I'm still doing music, just off stream. I'm mainly doing music theory. And I wasn't thinking that would be quite funny to watch, me just trying to go... I don't know where I'm going, but it's not going. I'm doing a little bit of like... I bought a pretty good course, so... yeah, I'm doing that. And I will show as soon as there's something to show. I might pull it back on stream, but for the moment I'm just learning a little bit more stuff, and when I actually can do something like talk about what I'm trying to do, like now it's still just me trying to be like, what am I trying to do? But like coding, you know, I can talk about what I'm about to do and do it, but with music I cannot do it. It's like, I'm just like, what happens if... Well, not even that, I'm like, I don't know, my brain is not even thinking. Not that I do it while coding either, but... Okay, wait, where do they have... Okay. Let's go to files. And they must have this piece of shit somewhere in, like, I don't know, engine? Let's see. We're looking for the frame date. I'm looking for where do they store the... I'm in the wrong section. No, this is chapter 3. They should have this in the frame data. What the? Huh. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here they definitely should have it in the same. Yeah, here. Okay, so we can go to... where is this thing? Why can I not just find it? Bro, I need a damn structure, or the class it's called. Nothing can take me to that damn class, like for real? This is unbelievable. Oh, no, that's not it. For real? For fuck's sake, Jesus, what? Where does this thing live? Oh my god.
I'm about to lose my brain cells. Not that I already lost them long. Ah, hallelujah! What file is this? Descriptor.h. Okay. Wow. Wow. And I give fuck. Lucas, bro, AFK. Yeah, no, I don't know. I don't have any. Yeah. But this is what I wanted to find out, okay? So here's the damn allocate, right? Of course I cannot access the thing, but this thing should be accessible here. We should have it. Boom! And here, let's see, they do this thing, and I'm curious to know, do they do anything else with this? No, they don't. They just return it, but they never free it. Don't you have to? You have to free it. You have to destroy it at some point, because you do allocate the scripture set. Pools to use, or is this pools to... But for fuck's sake, am I stupid or something? Like, you to stream 2 hours behind. Shit, I have been live for 37 minutes. Where's, by the way, the stream overlay? Like, the thing is not really there, is it now? Ah, it's not. Now it's there. Yeah, I don't know. I have tried fixing this so many times, but it's like random. I don't know when. Sometimes it works. It's like depends if I have a good internet day or a bad internet day, you know. So it's just gamble. Well, I guess I could actually put like hours into it and try to figure out what is the issue, but that's gonna probably take like 10 hours. And I'm like, yeah, I go with the gamble. Until I get actually a good amount of money to buy good internet that is reliable, I guess. But yeah. We are going to... Is it just full to use? It's such I don't know. I don't understand, because you have to free this thing. You have to call allocate VK destroy descriptor set. There's no other way you can. VK bind update. Where do they call the destroy of these things? Like, what the fuck? Allocate update. Destroy. Or is it it's not free. Is it free? Ah, it's free, okay. But they use third party stuff. What the fuck? Okay. No, that's some GUI. Okay, thank God. Right? Wait. Wow, the internet, see, this is what I'm talking about. The internet speed is like crazy fast. Right, allocate the descriptor set. And then... Don't you have to free it somehow? Whoa. I might... Actually, you don't have to free it. What? No, wait. Descriptors can be used to create multiple descriptor sets. If the creation of any of the descriptor sets fails, then the implementation must be destroyed. The script will also become undefined if the underlying source is destroyed. What? Okay, wait. Wasn't the issue that I don't free the things? I'm fucking confused now. Here. Must be freed. But that's not very explicit about what's the issue. Destroy device, yeah. Object tracking for VK device descriptor set. Yes, has not been destroyed. The Vulkan specs this all shield, but how? Apparently, I don't even know how to destroy it. How do I destroy? Destroy, yes. Ah, that's some crazy speed. Yeah, I should be using these 3 descriptor sets. At the back. Why? Huh. No, yeah, I don't call it anywhere. And they don't do it either. But then again, also it's a tutorial, so they might not even consider these things, to be honest. That's so strange. I would assume that they actually would consider these things. Really don't free it anywhere? Huh? Well, that's funny. It's so... ah, Jesus. Okay, it's whatever. You know... I do this thing... I cannot really guarantee to destroy it here, can I? But I can... do it when I get back. But the problem is that I don't store this thing anywhere. I think this design is completely flawed if this is actually how they do it. There's no way, there must be something wrong. Because this is so damn bad if this is actually like, because you... there's no way they don't free it. Textures... wow. Nope. I must have missed it. No? They never mention freeing the thing. No fucking way. Okay, here. First destroy the image view and then destroy the image itself. Well, that's not to do with that. They don't need. What? Following VK guide. Is it? Can you find info on if they read the descriptor sets? So I see they don't. Wow, that's a crazy response time right there. But I guess I can just... good question. I checked the documentation of Vulkan guide and you're right. I could not find anywhere the guide explicitly showing that they're free descriptor. I saw we get the guide explains how to create a descriptor pool and allocate descriptor sets from it, but it does not show code that free descriptor orders. Well, I do destroy that. That I do. End of the program. Implies unlikely if you allow Vulkan guide as is, you may not have free descriptor set or destroy descriptor pool. That would mean you leaking this. The error is but yeah, who now the thing is I cannot free. Can I free it? I don't think I can destroy it at the end because, and that's also pretty damn ugly. Like I could go like this, defer, and it's fucking awful, but I will just see that I probably can't do this because that's... but I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be awful. we shouldn't. I don't think, because I think the graphics card still need the resource, and if I call destroyed right when it might work out if happen to work, but I don't think. I think we'll quite quickly at some frame run into some issue. VK scriptor sets, and we are going to do a. It was BI. Fuck! It was CI. B. Haha. And then we're gonna pass in self.device.handle. And then it's gonna be the descriptor pool. Fuck. Well, I can access this. Can I access it? I don't know if I can. Okay. Well, maybe I could also just keep track of them in here, right? I just do. But can I just call from the descriptor pool? Maybe that's why it's let's see, textures, start. Here. Not this. Not that. Ah. Okay, but it's called image that as well for them. But this thing is called, every time there's a draw geometry, they call this, they allocate it, they get the thing, but I don't see anywhere that they would destroy it. It's like, just binds it. And then I just keep on doing it. Which is, I mean, unless they allocate. But wait, why would you have to? Shouldn't it be enough that you clear the pool? Wait a minute. Yeah. Wait, hold on. In rendering, draw background. I'm not concerned about that. I mean, yeah, I'm in the right spot. Yeah. Let's see. Image index here. Swap chain image index here. So here they start a thing. They get the stuff. I have some vague memory of them just calling clear on everything, but I don't see it. Flush, deletion, clear pools here. Frame descriptor, clear pools. So and this one uses frame number. Yes, okay. Okay, I guess I could try this. It's gonna be slight. Maybe that's. Yeah, okay, we're gonna try it. So in the renderer, we're not gonna do this. Instead, we're gonna go up. Is there a shortcut to go to the top of the function? Maybe. FTP. Oh my god! In
Neowim, is there a shortcut to jump to the top of a function? Okay, let's see. I know you can do, yes, in Neowim there is... Oh god. I just want to press a key. Oh, that didn't work at all. Try to jump to the top. Ah. That's just GitHub stuff. What's gonna do? Can I do something like this? No, that I couldn't. What did I do now? Okay, great. Toggle scratch grep command buffer history. Find files buffer code. What does that do? Code action LSP info. What is an LSP info? Whoa. Yo, okay. Look at all of that. Well, that's not what we're supposed to do, but it's pretty cool, alright? Let's see what else do we have here. I'm getting sidetracked as hell. Okay, what else do we have? Search, UI, Windows. You know, I have a good friend who will help us with this now. Hey, is there a shortcut to jump to the top of the I could at this point just scrolled up there, but I think this is gonna be so convenient so many times, so I'm just gonna... It might actually just add one if because I didn't tell it that yeah. So yeah. Let's see how it goes. Wow. Jump to previous start block. Well, the thing is that those things didn't work. I have European keyboard. I press it's Alt GR plus 7 to get, and it does not work. Or it's actually finished, but I think European should still be. Yeah, let's see. Understand the issue with European keyboard layout. Let me add a custom key map for you. No, please don't tell me that's what I just said, because that would be awful. I hope it has. Oh, what the fuck did it try to do? Whoa, FF. Okay.
Are you interning? Oh, I didn't even see.
Yeah.
Intern.
If current node, then walk up the tree to find function local. Well, no, do da. Function, then. No, please. Find. Hey. No, please.
Oh man. Alright, I think I'm gonna go find some food.
Yeah, dude.
And then
Food
watch some
is
TV
good.
And then sleep.
What?
Yeah, all in that order.
What did you say? You're gonna find some food?
Food, eat, watch something, sleep.
Ah.
What do you think? You think that's a good plan?
I think it's a pretty damn sick plan. Yes. FH.
And I didn't seem to do anything. FH. There is nothing explores. Recent. I think it's stripping. It's inventing new stuff. Let's see what else is there. Go next now. Option use Stream built-in moves. Easier. Go to previous start block. Okay. G. No. Show document symbols. No. But let's see. What do we have on G?
Alright, I'll catch you later.
Alright. Bye bye.
Bye.
Find. No. Maybe I'm just stuck with not this. I could add it, but nah. I'm just gonna go up to the top of the thing. Close that actually. And here, in this thing, current frame. As soon as I get the current frame, maybe I should actually wait. They probably wait. Yeah, wait for fence. So as soon as we have waited for the fence, we can do. Ah, look, I have commented it out because it's not gonna go good. This is not gonna go good. But let's see how it goes. It went okay. I was trying to look into this, and the reason why I commented it out was because I thought that I freed everything, but apparently okay. I just had a wrong understanding of what clear and free did apparently. That's okay. Okay, well then it works. That's crazy. And then that means that we should be able to do this now and not have any fuck issues. Why am I so bad with my shortcuts? For real. It should reload one. Bam. And bam. We could now also just take it just so we could see the freeze. We could also wait like 20. And it should free everything and we should see it all. Just be perfect. See? Not a single issue. Yo. That's fucking awesome. You can do hot reloading. You can do hot reloading now. Ah. Okay, come on. What? As well, for now it's not gonna be a really big deal. That it's gonna look weird, but we need to later on make it kind of like while it's destroying it or while it's trying to load the next one, it will have to keep using the old thing until it's ready to be used, and then initialize it and then swap pointers for what should be called. But for now we can just make it ugly like this because I don't really care. I don't think you don't really care either. So we can remove these. Don't need that. Don't need that. We can still keep this in here like that. And we're gonna look into you need to get a file watcher. We did have from before, and I think we're probably gonna create a new folder. Yeah. And we're going to, I don't know, because I cannot put it like, we have the net, we have the renderer, we're not gonna put it in any of those. It's kind of like, I don't know. I don't even like, well, I could put it in the root, why not? But then it becomes so many files in the root. I would like to just keep the main in the root, and then even if I just have one file, that one file will be in a directory because it's just clean like that. So I'm still gonna create that. I'm gonna make a dir. I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it file watcher. Why not? File watcher. Underscore watcher. W watcher. Watcher. Like so. And then we can actually go into here. Fuck.
key bindings, bro. GitHub. And we're gonna take the old code. As soon as this thing will load, it will be great. Actually, we're gonna go there. And I'm still gonna check file watcher. We're gonna look at Cheesecake's file watch. Ah, come on, Cheesecake, why? Let me quickly just. Also, I forgot. Or AMLAC, but yeah. Okay. Let's see, we can go to source. Wow. And we can go to. Where did I put the file watcher? I even forgot. Did I just leave it in the main straight? No. Oh wait, this is the wrong project. Haha. We didn't have it in this project. We had it in the SIG game. There we had it. Let's see. Source. Main. And let's see. It was quite simple. Let's see if we get an answer from Cheesecake. Where did I even send the message? Coding. All right. So it was quite like, let's see. Escape craft, answer buffer, draw, game, listen, look up, yeah. And let's see, was it in game I kept it? Game, but why did I put it in? Ah, must have been stupid or something. Let's see. There is no such function called listen. Okay, wait, but the game is not that. Let's see, what is game? Game state, game here. Lib game. Try init. Dinit. Game lookup. Okay, maybe then it's from an actual. Yeah, it comes from lib. And lib comes from lib.sig. Ah, okay. And it's from here. Let's see, POSIX file watcher. Okay. But now the problem is that I won't be changing the models. Well, I could load in all the models through the init, but I don't want to keep the renderer responsible for which models that get loaded. That should be the user's responsibility. They just tell it that I want these models. But I could still have some default models that get loaded in for the renderer to use as placeholders in case somebody does something weird. So that could work. Let's see. That's a possibility. I think I'm just gonna take this. We're gonna put it in there. We're gonna have to probably redo a lot of things. Is there an easy shortcut just to create a new file? Is there like N for new? That doesn't look like it. Notifications. Yeah, no. C for create.
Whoa.
Yo,
Up
T-Chef.
in the-
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Wait, who else joined?
Hello guys.
Yo, why are there so many people? Cheesecake also joined. Sure. And null refer. What?
Hello.
And Fredmaster. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't write Sig anymore too. What? It sucked and it's lost media now. I don't write Sig. What happened? Oh, you're a
Who said she
PHP.
doesn't? Wait, the cheesecake. Wait, cheesecake doesn't write Zig anymore.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. Damn.
Sad.
What happened? How did this happen?
Aw.
Okay, anyways, is T-Chef, do you know a shortcut to creating a file through NeoVim, or do I have to actually open up a terminal and do touch?
You just say new vim or like nvim.
Yeah,
the
but
file,
I'm already
and
inside
then you just
NeoVim.
write to it.
Can I inside of NeoVim create a new file?
If you-
Okay, now I don't know, but there is 100% one.
Yeah,
Like,
if you just want to
Yeah.
start typing, you can do :e_new, and that should give you a new buffer, like a fresh one.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
colon
exactly.
E.
:e_new,
like
E
this,
like edit new. Yeah, there you go.
Ah.
Yep,
and then just call it whatever I want to call it.
yep, :e_new, and then just enter. I think I don't know if it takes a file. It might not take a file name, but then
Ah.
when you write it out to a file, when you like :w, then you can do :w space file name. I think there might be a
Oh,
quicker way, but this is the one I remember at the top of my head.
I think let's try enu test.sig. Okay, no.
You could also do :e_test.sig. I don't think it needs to exist for you to edit it.
Okay, and then how do I save this with a name? You said.
E space test.zig. Just
Okay.
edit test E space E like :e,
E.
like edit
Yeah.
space test.zig.
Oh, but I need to give it a name. I want to put it in a
It
path.
doesn't need to exist as far as you know.
No. But
Oh, if you want
want
to create it in a path, just pass it a path.
and then I can
Yeah,
give
then
it
you
a
can
name.
just give it a relative path. Yeah,
Yo.
yeah. And now if you write it out, if you do :w or like whatever if you have any other like save hotkey or anything, it should write it out and actually create the file.
Wait, what?
:w is just like save.
Oh wait, it did.
Wait, what?
Where did it go?
Yeah, no, it did. It did make one.
Yeah, but where did it go? I don't
Should
see
go
it.
in there in File Watcher.
It's the
Didn't alter
folder
in
is
File
empty.
Watcher? What? Why is it empty? Maybe your
Wait,
tree
let's-
hasn't updated.
Let's see. ls cd ls. No, it's not in here either. But somewhere it is.
Why did it not? Huh. Why? That's weird. File Watcher / Watcher.zig. Again, no, it should be there. Or maybe it failed to save. Do you have any other like save hotkeys?
No. Or I have Control S for some reason, but I don't use it. Let's. Oh, what the fuck?
And
What
does it
happened
like
here?
not do anything? It's really weird.
Let's just do enu and try it again. Or actually, wait.
And :w and then file name. If you want to write to one.
Wait, fuck. Why can I not? Ah, yeah. Let's go to here. Oh wait, this is the file I want to save. Why didn't What was it? Save? No.
Oh, if you want to save that one, just do :w and then the path.
: W in the path. Ah. Okay,
W
well,
and
let's
then
do
the
that.
path.
Watcher.sig. File is loaded in another buffer.
Oh, it's loaded in another buffer. Yeah, because you gotta close the other Watcher's egg. Because you have that one, you just gotta close that one. There you go. And now if you do that, should actually go for that.
Nice.
There,
And
you
there
go.
it is. I don't know where the other one went, but we don't care about it anymore.
I think the other one just like never actually saved. There you go. Now you have your file watcher.
Nice. Thank you.
Your magic I notify machine.
All right. Let's see. So we can now take let's see, file watcher, notify the add file. Or was there a game and a file watcher? I don't remember this, honestly.
I think that's an example implementation for file watcher,
No, because wait,
like a reference thing.
we used it in here, like we took it as a lib, and then in here we do lib.game init, and then we use this game to look up all of these things, which is
Oh, so it's like a fancy DL open, I guess.
yeah. But wait, what's the point? Why is there like both a file watcher and a game? Or was it just Cheesecake made it back then? But did he maybe just make it just for me? So that I could use it, so he added a game structure?
It's for me.
It's just for me. Because there
I
is
think
like...
I think it just probably stores some state.
yeah, because
Check out what it actually stores in game.
yeah, there's init. And then...
See, I
yeah,
think
it's-
it stores a file.
Oh, it
watcher
uses
and
file
just-
path inside here. Okay, that's... or so, file watcher. What? But that's okay.
Yeah, so game is like integration for the file watcher for your like Zig build targets, I
Yeah.
guess.
Okay, but then we'll just use it the same way, I think. Maybe I should just call it lib actually, just to keep it. Nah, we'll call it watcher.
It's whatever.
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
Your no, I'm trying to get the hot reloading working
Evil.
because. Wait, I will show you. Look. Okay, look. So
You didn't remove spacetime yet, right? Because I still see a spacetime.
yeah, spacetime is still
program.
there, but we're gonna get rid of it real soon. Right now, I'm just still making the default stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna add the watcher,
Mhm.
and because I already tried destroying and recreating the graphics pipeline while it's running in a loop, and it works. So I think the hot reloading should also be working in that.
In a loop.
So we're gonna try it. File. Am I stupid? Right, but we are in source. No, wait, we're not in. Are we in source? Yeah, we're in. Do I maybe want it to also be inside of source, because this is kind of weird that I don't have it inside of source. I think it's pretty weird that I don't have it inside source.
Yeah, no, I think unifying it to a single source directory would be a good idea.
So, file watcher / watcher.sig, and then we should be able to hear when we create this thing. I'm gonna take this link because I did not implement this. I should probably create this myself completely, just so I would have a firm understanding on this, but it's faster like this. I will fix it later on when it gets to that point, if I need to do it. First, we're gonna just search for this thing. We're gonna get here. We're gonna initialize. I'm just gonna call it watcher, even though it's probably not what it should be called. But you know, we have all of these things. I'm gonna put it at the top. More watcher. Watcher.game. Spry. Init. And then the fur watcher.d. I think my LSP is broke. So let's quickly reload the LSP real quick. No, it's actually not broke. I don't know why it's not just nah. And then here, try look up, and then we have to take all of these. Right, now actually then I have to make these ones C style kind of. Okay, this is actually gonna add a little bit of more complexity. Fuck. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Because what I need to do is, I need this thing, this in it. And that's the only thing that actually needs to be, well, maybe the draw also, because the draw is also anything that has to, and then the upload also. Any function call to this thing needs to be exported. But first of all, we can just think about the init. We don't need to think about anything else, because anything else will not work. So that's fine. So then we can go up here to the init, and this thing needs to become a kind of like ha 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 funny. Now it's a moment where I wish I had Harold, because he understands how to make these things actually like see export and see call convention.
You want to make it call column C? Then right before your return type, you want to do just the word call column, like it's
Yeah.
right before the exclamation mark, right before the return type. But
Yeah,
also,
but I don't know if it accepts
call
these
columns-
parameters to the function. That's the thing.
stdmem allocator, depends how big allocator is. I'm not sure. Let me actually check. stdmem allocator. How big are you? An allocator is just a pointer on a vtable. I think pass by value should work theoretically. I know the return type, the exclamation mark, the like error like set thing. I don't think that will work with colcom C.
Because I could also just make a
C has no idea what the hell.
I
it's
could make
calling.
like a separate function with C in it, which just takes these as any types, and then it passes them into this thing, you know, and that could then work with this thing. Because then it doesn't really matter.
Yeah,
I just
but
need
I think I think the compiler should yell at you if you try to do something with colcom C and stuff that's not supported within it.
Yeah. I think I will just do a function C in it. Funny.
C in it.
Yeah, for now, it's okay. And then I'm just gonna call allocator any. Is it called any opaque, any type? What is it called? And config.
Any opaque is just an opaque pointer.
Yeah.
Like the equivalent of a C void pointer or something like
Yeah.
that, I believe.
Well, I'm not used.
I'm unfortunately not.
Well, I can
Harold.
still take them in as pointers, I guess. And then just call conv and then .c.
.c, yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Do they need export also in the front? No, that should be enough.
On exports, I'm not sure. Something, because you needed it to be available as a symbol, yeah?
Oh yeah, I also need to return at this. But then I
Yeah.
guess I have to return a pointer.
Yeah. I think you do need an export in here. Because that'll actually make a symbol, I believe.
Yeah. Wait, is it just? I don't remember. Where did I put the export?
I think it is just export. I think it's just export at the start. Or actually, no, it might actually be like pub export f. No, it should be export. Okay, let me
Oh,
check
that seems
this.
to be highlighted at least.
It's
so-
export fn.
Yeah.
Pub export fn. Yeah, that makes some
Okay.
sense. But I think pub is redundant with export.
All right.
I'm not sure, but it should be fine. Should be fine.
Should be fine. That's
This
what I
pub
say every
means
time.
it's public within a module.
And then we should just pass in allocator config and just trust it, right? And this is here we have to do. It's gonna be kind of like a catch. How did
Yeah, I
this-
guess catch and return something, because you should. What do you want to return? You want to return a pointer to this?
Well, if it
Catch
doesn't
return,
work, then
yeah,
we'll
catch
just
return null, I
return
guess.
that.
Well, then you need to make it an optional pointer or a C pointer. Either one.
Right.
I think an optional pointer should, like,
Is there-
ABI wise, it should just be passed as a null pointer.
Yeah, because it's kind of
As
like
in a
I don't know
null.
what else is. There isn't really any other valid thing I could return than a null pointer, right?
Yeah, no, I guess. And then you have to error check on your on the side on like the wherever you use this. So like in the thing that actually loads this as a module, you should check whether you actually get a null pointer, and if you do get a null pointer, just bail, I guess.
Yeah. Wait, can I just do return the init and just the catch return null?
Well, the I think this is getting into like. Oh, hello! It's Harold.
Yo,
Yay! Somebody who actually knows this
Harold.
stuff.
He woke up. He saw the heresy. He sensed the heresy I'm about to commit.
Oh my. Let's see what this is about.
I'm getting the hot reloading in. And
Lucas, Lucas, you pinged Lucas' internal live stream.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
did
also
I?
thought about that.
Oh,
Wrong roll. Oopsies.
Harold, he's about to correct my mistake. See, this is how bad it goes, Harold, when you're not here.
Yeah, I know, everything goes to shit.
Because it's an hit.
Alright. Alright. So, what's the issue? Hot reloading.
Hot reload.
See init. Oh, we're already cooked. It's already cooked.
It's already cooked.
But I need a function that I can use for hot reloading.
This cannot be saved anymore, guys.
Bro, you're so cooked. Okay, so this is not how we're gonna do this. At all.
Okay. That's great.
This is the worst shit I've ever seen in my entire life.
Even worse than Wallenstein?
Yes.
Okay, that's impressive.
Okay, so do you want me to say everything that's wrong with this?
I would prefer for
Because
you
it's
to
a
help me
long
get
list.
it right.
Yeah, okay, well, I'll just tell you everything that's wrong. Okay, so first of all, export, good, C init, shit name, allocator, any type is not supported for exported types because any type requires that it known in compile time, which you can't achieve with exported things. You don't have to specify colcon C, and it doesn't have to be an optional pointer to be exported. Yeah.
Okay, but
But I see that you're returning null as an error set, but or whatever. But you should. This is not how you remove this trash. Remove it. Actual trash. Okay,
Okay.
great. Now, no. So in the renderer, we're gonna make a C file, like a file called c.sig.
see, that's okay.
Yeah, I
Wait.
think that's the best solution here. It's
You
in
mean-
render.
Just here in the root of the thing. Whoa.
No, in render, the folder, where it's the same directory as
Yeah.
render.sig.
Okay.
Renderer, I mean.
And you want me to? Okay. Look, I learned new commands. Wait. W. What do you want it to be
Mhm.
called?
Just c.sig.
Wait, the source. Render lowercase c.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, great. Now you can import STD, I guess. Yeah, you probably won't use it, but whatever.
Yeah.
Great. And now you do const renderer because we need the renderer thingies, my bobs. Yeah, renderer.sig. Great, great, great. So now, let's say you want that function called init. Just make a function called init. You do pub export.
Do I need public for export?
No, but I used to public on like everything. But you don't have to.
Okay, export function.
Public, I mean export function, and then you call it init. Great. We're actually gonna make probably a hand. Well, no, it can just be a pointer. Yeah. Just to like renderer. The field is gonna be called renderer. Lowercase, yeah. And that's just a pointer to renderer. Great, and you can return just U16.
This is starting to look kind of weird. Wait, what? Is it just... Okay.
Yeah. Curly braces. We might change it out later from you. Bro, every time you make the function, like the curly braces on a new line, I always think about it. It's
Don't worry.
such a bad bro. I know it will fix itself, but it's just... Oh my god. Alright, do you even have formatting on save?
Yeah, but I have to save then. Or have some formatting.
One
I don't
second. One second. Alright, I'm back. Okay.
Alright.
Now we want to do renderer, like the field dot. Right. No, actually, never mind. To do dot star equals dot init.
Oh, that init.
Yeah, renderer init. Yeah, exactly. Now for the allocator, what we... I guess since we want the allocator,
Actually, the allocator is something I'm considering if it should even be passed through the user, because it's still like it's such an internal task yet at the moment. So
that is how Sig does, but we can just, for now, we can make a constant called allocator in here, and we can just define it as the C allocator. Or something. But we can also just pass the allocator around as just a pointer,
yeah.
Yeah, that could work.
Yeah.
We second field after renderer, do comma allocator. Yeah. And that is star const allocator. Yeah.
Okay.
.mem.allocator. Right, and you can just pass allocator dot star. Yeah. And then what does the init want more? A config.
Yeah.
All right. What is the config? Like, what does it have? All right, it's that config.
Where'd it go? There it is. This config.
I mean, I guess since we don't really need to know anything, and we're just gonna like pass it around between sig things, and we know everything, we can just take that as a pointer also.
Yeah.
Same as the allocator, kinda.
Yeah.
Mm.
Once. What do can I also just say render that config?
Renderer. Yeah. And then you pass the config.star. Yeah. Now we have one slight issue now. I guess the way we can do this is actually because we need to do like error checking.
Oh yeah.
I know. Okay. Yeah, I know how we can do this. So you have to do to do this you have to specify render.init. You can't just do equals.init, I guess. Because sig gets confused and yeah. Alright, and now you can go after the semicolon on this line. Yeah. You do catch.
Ketchup.
Yes, ketchup. Then you capture. And then you call it ERR. Right, and then you can just do return. Then you can do @int from error. Yeah, and then you can pass the error.
Yeah.
Bam.
Ah yeah. Okay.
One thing also, we probably want to give a prefix to our init functions because it's like in C
Init
and there's no
renderer?
namespaces.
Render init?
Well, I mean, do you want a prefix or not?
Well, I'm gonna go render.c and then init. I think it makes sense just like that. We don't need anything. I'm not gonna have anything else that's gonna be initialized through this thing, through export.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, works, I guess. Yeah, and there's also another thing we can do. So yeah. Okay, great.
Grape.
Yeah, now you do for the rest of functions.
Well, we just need for this thing to
But you
work
probably-
first of all, so we're just gonna do that. Oh fuck Christ. Okay. And then in here, so I should be okay. Here I used to do this, right? So now I should be so I can create I just create a renderer like to just be renderer and then pointer.
Sure. And then you do equals undefined.
And then I do a renderer dot c. What? Isn't it that's
I know what you're gonna do, and that won't. You haven't exported C yet, like made it public through renderer, but
Yeah.
like what you're trying to do won't work anyways.
Want it?
Because that is gonna access the pointer. Like to do this, so this actually works, you have to make it into a library and shit. But
Yeah,
you can
and-
also just do extern. Like have an extern declaration in here.
Hey Lucas, long time no see. Yo, null the pointer. What's up? You mean in the C file?
You know, something we can do actually is wrap this init function in a structure.
But that was
And we can just call it,
wait. Because that was the whole point with don't we already have it? What? Half my
in the build system, maybe. I don't know.
Because
I
didn't
haven't
we? That was the
touched this
point
build
while
system.
I wanted this to be
No.
a library.
But is it dynamic?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. That was the point why we wanted to make this a library so we could use it like this.
Oh, is it already a library?
The renderer,
Oh.
yeah.
Okay, great. Then and I guess you're linking it with the exe, or are you doing that at runtime probably? So yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, but still in the renderer.sig. I mean the c.sig for renderer. We're gonna do something. Wrap this in function in our structure.
This init inside of, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, like put it instead of a namespace,
What should we
and you can
just
call it like source or implementation or impl.
Why
Lowercase.
why is it this is
Yes.
okay, great.
Ah, yes. I love lowercase impl. It's not gonna actually return or like. It's just a namespace. You know.
Yeah.
Lowercase I in implementation.
Okay.
Yeah, and now we can make another either above or below, doesn't matter. No, I mean another like structure.
Ah.
Yeah. And this one should also be public. Yeah, and you can call this one like header or something. Yeah. Okay, great. And now in here you do extern. I mean technically pub extern function. And then call it init. And then you just copy the signature.
This is okay.
You know, because of C being kinda shit and the entire ecosystem of everything being kinda shit. No, don't have them curly braces, just semicolon here. Yes. Great. And now when you want to access it, you would do like probably a thing. Whatever, like you do const, and you can call it like C, and it could be equals to renderer.c.header.
But I
Yeah, so you probably want to go to renderer to expose it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like actually allow dynamic reloading. Cause that's an extern. That's just linking straight up to an object file, or rather a shared object in this case.
Yeah, this is kind of how reloading works around here.
Really? Does that actually work? Can you unbind a symbol? Does the linker let you? Does the
No, you
linker
do it
not, like,
with
kill you?
at runtime. You don't do it through the linker.
Okay, I guess.
Yeah. Right. You can do is call it C.
It's gonna be okay.
It will not do it through the linker is a very bold statement.
Yeah, it doesn't do it for the linker. It literally doesn't. Like when you load it, it like loads the proc table, and then when you look up a certain function,
does it
it
actually
finds
manual
it.
map everything? That's something.
That's how objects work. Welcome to inefficiency.
I got the inefficiency.
What? Okay.
Yeah, welcome to dynamic linking.
Does the Zig actually do it this way? I have to.
It's
let's
not
just
Zig that's
fact check
special. This is just how it works.
No, sorry, but like every other thing in C at least. I'm unsure about Zig. That's why I gotta check it for Zig because I have no idea how it actually works inside Zig.
You do
But
std lib.
for C, every single thing you DL open Every single thing you load dynamically at runtime, unless you manual map it with like mmap and resolve the symbols yourself, you go through DL open, which is libdl, which is in turn the dynamic linker. It's all the dynamic linker does. Just loads stuff.
Great. I don't know like the super low level of it. What I do know is how to use it, and I know it's very easy.
Well,
So-
I guess good job to the Zig peeps for actually making this a reasonable experience. Because with C, you were in DL open function pointer casting hell.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
this
yeah.
just
No, it's
magically works, then
yeah, because the
congrats.
SIG standard library wraps it for DLLs and for SOs and all of that into just one thing in the standard library.
Okay, let me.
It's
ignore
called
the
std
C.
dinlib.
Oh yeah, fair. I remember Dunlib from somewhere.
Wait,
believe
wait. Do I
Dunlib.
actually use through the header now? I access this thing.
Yep.
And that thing somehow knows to actually call
Mhm.
the right thing.
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, that's not good enough. I need something stronger than that.
Yep, there's two. There's elf dynlib and DL dynlib.
Wait, what the fuck?
And DL dynlib does it with DL open. So the DL implementation actually just does it straight up through the linker. That's
All right.
something.
I don't know how Windows
about the other
works
one?
really. I know how POSIX works. So
seems like the elf dynlib one is the thing that's used whenever you're building without libc, or you're building with Musul, or you're linking static, which is like what? What do you mean dynamic libraries on static targets? That's wacky. Sure.
yeah, don't ask.
Right, now I
Who
need to create
knows?
the config outside
Yeah.
of here. That's okay.
You
Oh my
don't.
god,
You can use the
this is an
ampersand
actual
dots.
manual mapper. Oh my. Damn, that's slightly cursed. Only slightly. It's not horrible. It's just damn. They really did.
It works, you know.
Why would you do this? Well, I know why would you do this, because the freaking libc, especially the glibc dynamic linker, is a pain to work with sometimes, especially if you're doing
Yeah.
curse stuff.
Like also, all I'm saying is that like SIG's standard library, like it just wraps everything. Like when you don't link with libc, it just does everything on its own. It has like a syscall function that everything in like
Well, the
go-
syscall, I know why they did that. I think. So like to reduce the reliance on libc, so you can build without libc, because you don't have anything. It's basically like CF freestanding simulator. But also damn. Yeah, on macOS it uses the linker. On Windows it uses no idea actually. On Windows, what do you do on Windows? You do an OpenEX, which does an OpenEXW, and that's just load library. On Windows it also uses the linker. So specifically on Linux, without libc or on Musul, when you're building static with Musul, it uses its own funky implementation. Wow. Incredible.
all this Lucas can have is goddamn host reloading.
Yes.
It literally ain't worth it. Like the people that far outweighs it.
No, it's worth it. Trust me, bro. It's gonna be awesome.
No, literally don't.
Actually, why am I doing it so
Honestly,
hard?
this is incredible. Surprised they didn't implement a manual mapper for Windows, but I guess the amount of Zig Windows people is like, you can count them on a single hand, I guess.
I'm missing a semicolon.
Lucas's code is slowly becoming comments.
What? No, don't
Huh?
worry. I'm removing that as soon as I just know that it works, okay? Why is
Really?
expected semicolon after statement? But isn't... Am I missing one
you're
semicolon?
correct. You probably forgot to put a dot before the first curly braces.
no,
I
I
see a missing semicolon online.
Like so.
Oh, actually, no, there's no missing semicolon.
Use of unclear identifier renderer. Right, because I... This has to happen after that, like so. Okay. Let's see. So this should work. Wait, where am I? Yeah. Type value. Ignored. Yeah, we should definitely try to. Yeah. Can I do if? We don't even return anything from here. Return 1. And then if was 0, well then I'm just gonna panic. I could actually restore the return and then say something, but
What bad ideas are you having now? I was doing something else for like 2 seconds, and now you're doing something.
well, I need
Oh,
to
no,
catch the return.
something.
Yeah. Catch. You know how errors work, my dude?
But I just returned a U16 in here.
Mm-hmm.
Can I still use that?
You know something? No, is go back to the header, the c.header thing. We're gonna make a helper function.
What?
Yeah, we're gonna make a function, and we're gonna call it try or some shit.
We can add another function here called try.
Or no, in the header, just in the header. Yeah. Now you make a function here, and you can call it something like probably 2error or 2 error. Yeah, and this takes in a U16 as the error.
Yeah, right.
Don't forget stuff to using. Anyways, this returns just no, exclamation mark void.
Okay, is this like an actual implementation now?
Mm-hmm. Also, your init function that is exported down there, you should return 0 when it's success, right?
No.
Or am I wrong?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So you can do if error equals 0, then you just return nothing. Yeah. Actually, we should probably define like a constant for this, like a success, you know. Just do pub const up at the top. Pub const success. You know what? I'll allow you naming it like that, and then you do that into U16.
Yay! Finally, Harold allows me to do weird shit.
Equals 0. Yes. Yeah, but it's only because it's to do with C, so it makes a bit of sense. Yeah, and then you also should return success in the init function.
Right, that makes sense.
Right, so if it's not equal to success, then we use to return. Yeah, no. Actually,
Oh, wait, if it is success.
no, go back to the return. Yeah, no. This works a bit better actually. It's less code. Then we just return. Yes, return, and then you can do @error from int. Also, the description for error from int says that it's unreliable and barely works, but we'll just ignore that part. And then just put in error. Yeah.
And then
because the error sets probably aren't the same in your library and whatever else. So yeah, they're probably gonna like mismatch like a lot, but it's fine.
okay.
It's fine.
Now, how the fuck do I take that into practice over here? Just do
Now
it.
we do just try, and then you have to do 2 error also. hmm Yeah, and then you just pass this in. You don't need that panic, yeah, great. Your thing is like highly unreadable, but
I don't know
great,
what you're on about.
great. Congratulations.
Okay. 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 Let's see if it runs, right?
Yeah.
That's not good. See here, no member to error. Did I make it public?
Yeah, it's in the header also. Technically, we can probably put it outside of the header if you want to. Just have it out in the sea. I
In the
guess.
sea.
In the sea.
In the
Of
sea?
thieves.
Among the whales?
Your mom.
Hey!
Incredible.
Yeah, okay. But now I still need. Wait, what?
Yep, you're not linking.
Yeah. So now I can link it. Okay. We're getting there.
It's either that or the issue may be that it's at compile time being like, yo, why are you trying to access a function that doesn't exist because it's exporting from that place? But that's just hypothetical.
Now we need to do this. Now we can do this.
It can't be that easy. They couldn't have done this. This can't be this easy. I don't trust it.
Well, we did it already once with
What do you-
this, and it worked, so.
Like the dynamic linking thing.
Yeah.
I would be really surprised if a language, I don't know if the correct word is famous, but a language famous for like being very explicit, at least with its allocation stuff, would be very implicit with its dynamic lookup. That would be a weird mismatch of the two.
I don't know, we do.
Yeah, welcome to SIG.
I'm just gonna call it.
Yeah.
This one I just call init. Then? Oh, but then I would wait. What? How does that make sense? Because
It's called as renderer lib.
no, because I'm trying to get the function. Look up the function and get it from. Where is it trying to get it? Oh yeah, because I have to provide the.
Yeah, you
Right.
would just call it init. Yeah, but you would just call it init, you know. Yeah, you know what to do. You know what to do.
I don't know what to do, but it's fine. We have to program a lot.
Great.
I just need to make it work once, and then we can start moving things around.
Oh my god, what is it called? Renderer init. Bro, you want to load the library, you should call it renderer lib, and then you can get the renderer init later. You know.
Okay.
Technically, that kind of makes the entire header thing useless.
Yep, because the symbol you have to like dynamically resolve at the wrong time
Yeah.
anyway, and the extern is gonna give you link errors. We love dynamic linking.
Yeah,
There's the quote, yeah.
actually, Lucas, we want to do things differently. So go back to the renderer.c. I totally forgot about this.
Sorry,
It's not
just
too
a bit
bad.
funny, just having to change your mind when you realize that you need to do it different because it's a different problem and it needs a different
Yeah,
solution.
but it's not too bad.
It's fine.
Like,
It's fine.
all
Yeah,
we
I
got
know.
to do is make, instead of having the header in it as extern, just make it into a constant that just is the type of the signature. You get me?
Wait, you mean just pop cons?
Yep, that is a really good idea.
Like
A
that?
Yeah,
pub
pubconst.
thing
Render
called pointer FN.
init
Pointer
equals,
const FN actually.
Oh,
yeah, equals star const fn. Yes. Exactly, and you also gotta do call conf C before the U16 at the end.
What the fuck?
You can probably automate this somehow, but nah.
Nah,
Yeah. Alright.
nah.
Right, and if you want, you can also rename init to be uppercase I, but that's really just up to you.
Nah, it's okay.
I mean, I will probably do it.
It's okay.
No, I will probably do it because then
It's a-
you
it's
don't
a
need this
type.
stupid pubconst header. Hear me out. You can remove these structures like implementation header if you rename init to be uppercase I. Yeah. And then you don't need these stupid namespaces.
Also, doesn't the exported does the exported function
can-
like implicitly do call conf C?
D- export does, yeah, but not the constant signature.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, export is automatically C or whatever it is on that OS. But okay, Lucas, you can also remove pubconst header.
Wait. So just having like this?
Yeah, you could put in a global thing.
Sure.
Okay.
I mean, you could also organize it into like another namespace called prox or some shit if you want to, but nah.
Oh.
This
Okay.
works.
Yeah, uppercase is the type, lowercase is the symbol.
Okay, but so now I just
Yeah.
have the signature already here, which is pretty damn good.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I still need to
And you
set.
can
I
use
mean,
your
technically-
signature in your lookup.
Probably type of, but nah.
I just wonder,
This
like,
will
where
help
did
the
we used
compiler.
to actually figure out the?
Your mom.
Why?
path?
What
Yeah,
does Lucas's mum have to do with all this?
like everything.
Damn.
Sure, I didn't even know that.
Terrifying.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no.
here.
Yeah, I mean,
Wait.
I spend more time with your mom than you do, so
How dare you?
you know,
How dare
out there.
you?
you know,
Hello, is
you
it?
know.
But
Well,
Uh,
it's that Tish. No, Tish was always here. Is it Andrew that joined?
Yeah.
What was
Andrew is new. Yeah, Andrew
it?
joined.
Yeah. Welcome, Andrew.
Hi.
Lucas is
Hello.
helping himself with Sig.
Lucas
Mm.
helping himself. That's crazy.
Lubas.
Lubas.
Yeah.
I don't even remember. Like, how does it know
Mr.
Is that like
which
an
file
Spotify
it's
one?
supposed to load? I don't think it's.
There is some logic to calculate the path.
See that is the constlib name. Constlib name the stet fmt comp time print. That thing.
Yeah.
See how it does lib
Hmm.
Why are you
game?
doing const?
Lib game is the
Yes.
thing it assumes the thing is.
Hmm.
What are you saying, Andrew?
Stop using constcast.
Are we using
It's useless.
Constcast?
Oh, is it constcast?
Yeah, I can see.
Where are we using Constcast?
Oh wait, yeah, no, there's a constcast like 14 lines.
On
though.
line
Ah,
51.
there. Don't worry
But
about
Lucas'
it.
stupid ass lines don't work because it is
You
so,
can
so
just remove
special.
it. It will still compile.
But this is
I don't even see this. Honestly.
It's here. I don't know why it's this color though. Oh yeah, it's because the LSP overrides it. That's why.
I don't know, bro. Your LSP is actually trash.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, why is it Constcast?
That don't worry. This is
You
not.
know, I
If
think
you want to make it into a constant, it was a non-const.
It's
Yeah.
This is not my
Yeah,
color,
because
alright?
buffer is
Don't ask me why it's const. I have no
all
idea.
I am saying also is that I would love for Sig to.
Did he die? Or did I die? I died. That's crazy. Yo, I
Yo,
lost.
Lucas, the code was so good that your stream broke.
Damn, thank you. Anyways,
Not like I read anything about it. That's why I'm not streaming.
I mean, yeah, change it please if you can. It will be. It is UB now, but it's unchecked UB. Like not UB, I mean
Lovely.
good behavior.
anyways, what we need to do is we init this, and then here we need to get the functions from the library that should be called.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which is your init thing that you defined with the init signature you have in your. What is it
But I
called?
also need to provide the
In your
name,
CZig?
don't I? Or is this just because you used
Yeah, which is
WebAssembly?
gonna be init. Yeah,
No,
the name
that's-
you have to provide the name because the like the linker or the Zig runtime needs to know what function symbol is like your thing loading.
Mm.
So because you're trying to look up the init symbol, you have to
Mm.
tell it that you're looking for init. Incredible.
That's crazy.
Oh, you have a watcher thing? Oh, you have a look? Okay, well then you should probably call it render in.
That's what I was thinking, dude. No, lame.
Nah, bro. I
Render-
didn't see that you had a
render.
watcher.
render.
Your brain is a French fry.
I am pretty tired.
Like genuinely at this point, it's just
Nah, his brain is a Belgian fry.
Belgian. Come on,
Damn.
French fries sound so much cooler.
No, but they ain't even from France. They're a scam.
Can I just do
the
that?
French are scammers. So sad.
And then just say
Yep, that, and then
Yep.
init in quotes. This time lowercase
like that.
is the symbol. Yeah. That should be more or less that.
Alright.
Yeah, and then you can just call it.
No, that's crazy.
You need to be careful. Person who wrote ZLS is French. Maybe he will like.
Oh, that's why it's so bad.
What? What? What?
Like honestly, I know some French peeps and they can cook up some real stuff. Like Pixel is made by a French person and it's like really cool software.
I know 0 French people.
Damn.
Yeah, and I know people from like everywhere, bro. Everywhere in Europe except like France.
Damn.
So
I guess you're just like hanging around the wrong people because you don't know anything.
no, I'm hanging around the right people, bro.
You sure? You sure about that?
Yeah,
The
I'm
entire
sure about
country
that.
of France is now on the lookout for you.
Yeah, they were probably already on me though, so
Oh.
it's whatever.
Damn.
And I mean, what can they do? Like, they're too busy with other problems, anyways. Like
Another
Paris.
day in Harold's life of running away from the French government.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you
So
know
now we
Harold-
just
That's why I'm
do
using Linux.
render init instead of this stuff.
Yep.
Bam.
Yep, and this is gonna give you a very nice runtime like crash. It's definitely gonna crash.
I'm just gonna return it.
Yeah, probably. But it's fine.
I
This
don't
is
want
like
to.
the life of a
You
dynamic.
can't have a
engine user.
return there, Lucas.
I can.
Is he gonna do the trick? Yeah, he's gonna do the trick. Yeah, he did it. Yeah, I also do that
Do
sometimes.
you actually have to do that? What is the
Yeah,
Java?
because the stupid ass SIG thing is like, yeah, no, you like all the code below return here is a waste. So like, you should just not have it there.
Let's
Yeah,
see.
true.
Local variable shadow declaration. Oh yeah. Wait, what? Did I
Because
just
your
call
thing
it?
is
Oh
called-
yeah, I
your
can't
type
call
is
it.
called Watcher and your thing is called Watcher.
Yeah.
Wow. I just maybe just call it like renderer or something.
Maybe call it
Or
like
render that.
uppercase watcher, maybe. Like, why is the file watcher not a type? What is this?
Is it
You can just
stuff?
it's a dot game after like importing.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
bruh. What the hell?
It's okay.
Stupid.
It's
I don't
okay.
know. It's spaghetti. It's fine. It's
It's
fine. It's
spaghetti.
gonna
Yeah,
crash
it's
on runtime. Nobody
Lucas's
cares.
code. Yeah, no one ever is
It
gonna touch
runs.
it.
It
anyways,
runs
except-
enough.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Let's see. Source
Yep.
watcher.
There you go. Yep, you passed it a path. What did you panic? Attempt to use a null value. Oh wow, that's great. So your lib path
Yeah,
is
it's
null.
because Yeah.
That's probably because your notify thing tried to, because
you're
what's your
looking for the
watcher game
wrongest
in that
name, bro.
thing?
Yeah, you're looking for like Libby game or some shit.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
looking for lib game, and you wanna. Have you changed your build to make a separate like build, a separate target for the dynamic lib?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's apparently been there all along.
Yes.
So
Oh, what? Damn.
Yeah, I was planning
Yeah.
this all along.
Damn,
Alright.
Lucas is actually ahead.
Yeah.
yeah, sure. It's not
Ah,
like you just copied
600
the
IQ.
build from Sig game or anything. Sig
So
game,
sad.
that's like 5% Sig.
Yeah, but what's the like render? Okay, so you're just your thing is called render. Yeah, render.
Okay.
I saw it up
Yeah.
above. Yeah, yeah. And is it a dynamic? Yeah, it is a linkage dynamic. Yay! So that is indeed what we want. So now in your file watcher, probably want to change the path from libgame to librenderer or render. I don't know which one it is. Check your you can check your zig out folder.
And why can I not see the sig out in
Under-
here? Shouldn't I be able to see it?
No idea. Just like I don't know, colon ls or colon bang ls, I guess, because you can run or ls in there. That's also fine. In zig out, of
Okay,
course. I'll
guys.
space zig out or ladder.
Basic what?
Like
I will
just
go now,
find the
guys.
Alright, see you later, alligator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See ya.
So yeah.
Good night.
slash lib.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
lib
yeah.
renderer.
Render.
Wait, why do you have a lib renderer and a lib render?
It's an old one, alright.
Which one is it?
It's from the good old
Okay.
days.
Yeah,
Okay.
the good old days.
Bro
5
has
days
so
ago.
much technical debt.
Don't worry. You could always write this in, and you could.
In Python.
I'm trying not to shit on any language. I wanted to shit on PHP immediately, but that's not a great idea since somebody here said that they switched to PHP.
Mm,
Oh, that was cheesecake.
Well,
Cheesecake is
maybe
no longer here.
Lucas's favorite language? TypeScript?
Nice shut up.
Oh,
My favorite
not-
language.
I had to write. Well, I had to write. I thought writing a TypeScript code base at school would be a good idea. No, never, ever, ever write a TypeScript code base unless you really, really, really have to.
We
It's
know.
like server-side TypeScript too. It's like just don't
Yeah.
ever.
You know the beautiful Discord
okay.
bot we have on this server?
Is it just TypeScript?
Yep.
At least it's not
It's
pure
all-
JavaScript without like any type hints. That's like
No,
one thing that
it's-
TypeScript has
it's-
like over JavaScript.
Yeah, no, it's 100% TypeScript with bun and like Node.js and like MongoDB, and it's so horrendous.
How do you have both bun and node?
Don't ask. There's like 1,000 Node modules, and we committed them all to master. Yeah, it's
Well,
great.
hey, that's what we call a learning opportunity. You can learn
No,
how
no.
not to balloon your Git repo size because that would probably make it like 2 gigabytes or something.
Yep. Node is like the most efficient thing ever. You know, it just like takes 40 megabytes for just an instance of nothing.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Wait, so what did you actually panic on?
Cannot make
Or
current
join a
window
problem
that
found?
has no OpenGL or OpenGL as context. Prop not found.
Probably because wait, cannot make. What are you using for windowing?
Yeah, it's probably because you removed the like GLFW window hint and you like required or you
Yeah, because
want
you
ask
got to
for
tell
no API.
GLFW that it uses no API. Yeah,
No, wait, I didn't remove it. It's still here.
client API because oh no, you do have none. That isn't there.
Like, I haven't changed that at all.
Wait, so why are you trying to
Why don't you set
Ah.
it to Vulkan?
not
The
make
client API?
current? Wait, what are you trying to make current? Are you doing any make context current?
Make context
Is it calling
current?
make
No.
current?
I haven't. What?
Yeah, because it's trying to make something current.
Where do you see
Bro.
current?
No. What?
Where do you see current?
What is it current?
Well, it is in here
like the
though.
error right before the. Yeah, because it's like it's throwing a GLFW error, or like not throwing, it's just yelling at you about some GLFW stuff, and then it's yelling about dynamic linking. So, what you could try is in your terminal try doing nm space and then passing the path to your librender. So zig out slash lib slash whatever.
No. The issue is that bro is trying to load OpenGL. But it's like
Why
he
would
doesn't
it
have
try
an
to do
open
that
Yeah,
GL
all
yeah.
of a
build.
sudden?
There's two issues. These are two issues. These are two issues in one. That's the best thing. So yeah, there you go. Just enter on that. Enter. Yeah. Does it have an init? Lowercase I, probably. Init. Just pipe it into grep. Pipe grep init.
Yeah.
Because you're not gonna. Well, you might find it,
Yeah.
but
Don't-
have fun. Init. There's root dot init. Is there a capital T one? Because you're looking for one that sort of like that has a capital T symbol type.
Capital T or capital
Uh,
I?
Yes, there's a T in it. There isn't. Yeah, I saw it. It isn't there. So it does actually. Yeah, see T in it. That's your exported symbol.
Yeah.
So that should work. Are you loading the right library then?
No. Bro is loading OpenGL somewhere.
That's a good.
Render in it.
Where would that come from all of a sudden?
Render sheet.
Because I do have like commented out code of it. Yes.
Wait, can
In
you
your,
build? Are you loading the old renderer?
Yeah, you might be loading the old one. Just like
The
try
OpenGL
removing
one?
your zig out directory. Just like remove it so it's like a clean slate. Because I think there's just garbage in there.
You mean clear the whole
No,
thing
I
out?
think it's maybe just that is.
Yeah. Because then it's gonna like if you're loading something incorrect, then it's just not gonna exist on the next rebuild.
Yeah. So we'll just RM the whole.
And then
thing
it's gonna
out.
actually error out loading instead of doing whatever the hell that was. Yep, and now zig build.
Okay.
There you go. And does it fail on loading?
Attempt. To
Yep.
use- no.
Yeah, cause
Wait, let me.
yeah, cause it's trying to find that library and it's not real. It's not real.
It's not
Yep.
real.
I
Okay,
think
this
you
is
still have the
getting
wrong path in your
OpenGL
watcher.
renderer.
Wait.
I think your watcher still has the wrong path.
Wait, did I actually do
Yeah,
a
I
type?
think so too.
Wait, it is renderer. Oh yeah, it's renderer.
Yeah, so in file
Yeah.
watcher you should do in file watcher you should do renderer then.
Bro was trying to
Yeah.
load the old renderer with OpenGL before. That's
Yes.
crazy.
Yeah,
And, like,
that's,
what
that's
it was
probably why it
just left
failed.
there.
Okay.
There you go. And now what? What happened?
Dinlib lookup,
Dinlib
init.
lookup. Oh great. Oh great. So now you're actually failing in Zig's like Dinlib implementation. Great. Why is there no trace? Why is it like just in here?
Link with libc and hope it works.
Link
Oh
with
yeah,
lib-
no, just link with libc and it magically fixes everything. I don't remember which
Yeah.
side you do it on. I think
In
I watched
the-
this Pharophoria video
in
that
the-
like was literally all dynamic linking and it was literally a missing libc link or the
Mm.
new like self-hosted backend not doing something correctly.
Yeah. Scroll down to exe.
So it's
and
either
just add-
libc or LLVM. It's like one of the two.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Yeah, that's true. Why are we linking libc? Oh, right, to the VMA.
Oh, because you're using VMA.
So stupid. Bro. Before link libcpp. Yeah. Link libc. Ah, yes, like, let's just load everything we can from the OS, am I right?
Yeah.
The binary size is gonna be crazy.
Well,
No.
that's the thing about dynamic linking. It should be smaller. Yeah, no, you still get a
Yeah, no.
dinlib error, but this time on the lookup.
It was on the lookup
Oh.
before as well,
Good question.
wasn't it?
Let's do $/$/. Where are you? Yeah, there we go. So, dinlib lookup.
This no. It was what? Wait, I'm so confused. Wait. Was this actually no? This was not the old. Because this is like
Yeah, the previous one was it was a different error.
no. Let's,
Stars.
if I do this again,
No, not stars.
didn't look up. Because it's the exact same error, so it
Oh, because
overwrites the
dinlib
terminal.
dinlib lookup is a thing you're throwing in a watcher, I think.
Yeah.
Check your watcher. Does it have Lib name, lib path.
Are
file
you sure
watcher
they're
still
like
there.
init things getting exposed?
This is return.
Well, it was
error
found in
anyway.
here.
Also, lib path.
Right there.
Paths of this. This lib path. Yeah, scroll down to your lookup function in your game thing. Because it should have a lookup.
Wait, I'll look up.
Game or file watcher. I think
wait,
it's in,
where
I
is
think it's the one in game.
Yeah. But wait, hold on. There it is.
Yeah, there you go. So it does self dynlib lookup or else. So yeah, so basically dynlib lookup returned null. Why did it return null? Good question. No idea actually. Like on
Name. And lookup is
that fair back?
this thing in here. Self inner lookup. Name, which goes to here. Lookup address. Okay, and then it returns that. Okay. But it shouldn't be. Ah, look at that. Mm-mm-mm.
Guys, I just want to mention also that I have spent 50 days in this VC. Or well,
50
in any
days?
of these VCs.
And that's crazy.
Yeah. That is pretty crazy. And apparently my sidekick is Lucas.
Your site.
But I think it's actually Lucas.
That's crazy. Wait, so it's
Yeah.
failing in the lookup of this thing over here. It's not very explicit why it's failing. So this is the lookup. It could be many reasons why it fails. There should be, like, it's literally the same thing. Let's see. Yeah, I don't well, I mean, they don't have these things, but that shouldn't matter really, right?
okay, I'm back. Still doing dynamic linking?
Yeah, we are trying to get it.
Lovely.
Let's see.
You're gonna get it. I
Yeah,
know it.
eventually.
It's dynamic linking. Of course it's hell. Well, no, that show hell, but
Call CU16. Try game look up to watcher. Well, that wouldn't make any sense, but maybe it wouldn't. I don't even get a different error. Funny. Is it? No, because it did find. Wait. Render error. I had the wrong thing. Okay, now it does not find the thing. Okay, well then it makes sense. It doesn't find the init. Okay, okay, now we're talking. But why is it not finding it? Do I have to do... Oh. Do I have to export it? No, but C should put it in there, shouldn't it? Okay. We got a little bit further. So I do need an export in there for it to be caught. I think. Let's see. Wait. Why can I don't still see it in here. Wait. Am I blind? Wait, did my Discord die? Hello? No, you guys still here.
No.
No.
That's fine.
Shouldn't I see a capital T in it? Or...
Capital T in it? Yeah, you should be seeing a capital T in it. If you have an export.
Yeah, but I don't see a capital T.
Do you not have... Well, you could try grabbing for capital T space in it.
Yeah. Nothing.
Yeah, no, you don't have an actual export, but... maybe it has the namespace. Check for render dot in it. Actually, export should make it just in it, but... it's weird.
Hmm. There's a lot of these ones, but I don't think those should have anything to do with it. Huh. So why is this thing not see? Well, actually, I'm trying to find that. Not. I'm a bit funny, but still. This one should be seen through. Whoa!
Yeah, it should be.
Where'd they go? I
Something-
think my
something
terminal
happened.
might have crashed. That's not very funny. Where's my seed at Sig? Fuck. Anyways. I do have this, but I'm not sure if that's what I'm trying to find. And it is being... renderer, but yeah, this one should take anything that is in the renderer.sig, and this thing is inside of there. So, do I also have to do this external? That would be weird.
Maybe.
Or is it export or extern? Now we're.
Well, actually, I think the export just in the C should do the thing. See where it should. Which does not,
Unable to export type.
not really say
Yeah,
no.
no.
You might need to re-export it in the, like, final thing. I don't know.
External, yeah. Must have initial. Okay, nah. Uh-huh. Wait, now it's complaining about something different. Okay, good. Unable to export type. Wait. That doesn't work either. But how am I supposed to get this to... What's the difference between extern and export? Like, what does extern really mean?
Extern loads it,
Extern is an
exports
import.
supposed to-
Extern is basically like yes, import this dynamically, like link against this symbol. Actually, not dynamically, like import this at link time. And export means export this at link time. So like make this function symbol available for lookup at runtime. Or like link time or whatever. Like,
Yeah, but
doesn't matter.
for some reason it's not there. Why? It's not found at all. I'm just gonna quickly try to... This would be stupid, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna call it init2. And... well, it doesn't matter. I can just do a I32 as well. It's not gonna be used. Okay, and then this thing just... And then just gonna return. And of course...
Nah, bro, I'm playing a strategy game and I literally declared war on like a small piece of land. It was like 5 by 10 meters, bro. And now I have the entire world on me. I don't get
Nice.
paid enough for this.
Are you playing Sid Meier's?
Yeah, Second World War moment. No.
Sid Meier's are not. Hello, Flow. Wait, what? Use as identifiers. Yeah. Used as identifier without... Am I stupid? Isn't this how you can just temporarily... Fuck. What was the shortcut again for the multi-line cursor? Oops. It was just like this. Okay, it was like that. I don't remember shit. Okay. Okay. Now this thing this thing is now here. So do I have to do... Maybe I have to do like this. Hub export fnc dot what ci block, yeah. How can I forward it? Because it seems like it didn't... this got exported. Which is kind of the thing I want, but I want to export this thing. So I need to access it from here and then re-export it from here, because it didn't seem to export it when I did it through this thing.
Good question.
Or I just take all of this logic and put it inside of the renderer.
You could.
Because what I need to get this thing in there. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna yank that. I think the rest we can keep in there, but for now I'm just gonna do it temporarily like this. And we're gonna go a little bit down to here. And why did it do that? I hate when I... whatever. We're gonna go call it C in it. As we used to have it. And let's see. Why is it still okay? Because it didn't compile. This. Config. This. And we're gonna return the 0 for now. I just need to see if it can work. File not found. What? Anyways, that I don't care about. In it. I'm trying to find this C in it. I swear to God, why is it when I call it something bullshit that I don't need, then it exists, but when I call it something I need, then it's like you know.
Your bullshit. Right?
Oh, is there so much more now?
Lucas, just use Python.
No. Wait, what? Now the watcher fucked up. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, release not file not found. It doesn't find the renderer. Wait, what?
Lucas, I think you're meant to use Python.
No.
I think
no.
you're just built for Python.
No, fuck that shit, bro. I did it once. Oh god. Okay, I've done it a few times actually.
Yeah, I know you love it.
Anyways,
Lucas, this is pretending to like low level. Am I right?
I actually love low level. You don't know me.
Low level as in Python?
Okay, why does this fuck up if I add it into here?
Oh yeah, that would be fire, like a Python and TypeScript project. Ooh, that just be so good, Lucas.
Oh my god. Why is this not okay?
I know why it's not exporting.
You
Can
know
you go
why?
into your czig?
The what?
Can you go into your c.zig? Your c.zig.
Hmm?
Oh wait, what? Okay. Wait. What? Wait, let me clean my
Yeah, Lucas, I think the issue is that you're doing it wrong.
Ah.
Oh, okay, no, Zig was just caching.
Oh,
Zig was
My
actually
audio
caching.
broken.
'Cause I know what happens more or
One
less,
sec.
and it's that LLVM just optimizes out your export function from outside the root module because it assumes that because it's a root module, that means it doesn't need the exports of LLVM or the Zig other like the funky backend sublisted one. So it's just optimizing out your thing, and it's saying that okay, it's useless, nobody cares. How do you make it not optimize it out? Is I don't know yet.
Sure.
With the power of magic.
Magic.
Yeah, no.
Fucking compilers, am I right?
Yeah, am I right?
Yeah, because I made it pub, and if I remove the usage of it, if it's not used anywhere, if I remove my zig out, if I do zig build, and I rerun nm, it's gone. And then if I use it, it's magically there again. Oh my god. Why? So let me disable build on save because it's breaking everything. It's trolling me hard. I will not build on save. Yeah, now it's in there. Now I remove the usage. And it built on save. What? Hello, Zig language server. Could you please don't? Oh, no, right. Yeah, no, I need to write to it. And then I need to load all my 17 neovums. Right? If I Zig build, I do you. Okay, you're not in there. And if I edit you, see, hello? You do not auto rebuild yet, but now if I do Zig build, it will magically give me this thing back. Incredible. Incredible.
Yeah, I was thinking already that's too cursed.
What about at export? Is at export of any use in here? Damn.
Well, this is
runtime.
funny. But it's so
At
weird because it
export.
should be... Well, I guess it's not directly using it. It's only in the main that we actually start to load. We're not even calling... Well, yeah. It's only the... Oh, what the fuck.
Yeah, I think you just want to do it in the root module, honestly.
Yeah.
Not even at export wants to save this one.
But when I try to edit
Not
to
like
the...
it cares, it probably is exactly the same one.
I try to edit like C in it, right? And then I do add this.
Yeah.
That should be fine still.
Yeah, but just remember to change your symbol name from within mainzig, or actually no, from within mainzig. Because whenever you do the lookup, now it wants to search for the symbol C in it instead of the symbol in it.
Yeah, but it's still
So that
complaining
thing
about
needs to change
something
to C in it.
different, which was... Oh, now I'm doing it wrong.
But was it also careful of your case? Yeah, it is indeed case sensitive. If you zig built that,
Because now it's saying that it doesn't find the file. And that's... Is it like it doesn't find a renderer anymore, or what is... File what you try in it.
Yeah, no check.
So it's not finding now the actual...
Yeah.
This thing anymore.
Yeah, try checking if it's actually in there.
Intern.
Sorry?
Intern! Sorry?
Hi, Damon.
Sorry?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I think that's Matt Damon there.
And I
Sorry,
think it's...
Damon.
Yeah, sorry.
Because now this one has a completely different
sorry.
setup. Like, I don't know where... Now these ones are all of a sudden here.
Oh, now you should look for C in it. If you do that nm command, try looking for C in it instead.
Ah. Okay, so
There you
maybe...
go. Now it's exported.
But why doesn't it find the file now anymore? Or what does it complain about? Because I'm like...
Good question.
It's
Is
in
the
the
file
init.
still in the same path? It probably
We're
is.
trying
in
to
the same
open
path.
lib path.
Try running it in a debugger and check what libpath is set to, maybe? I don't know.
Wait.
librender.so, it should be, no. Yeah, because it's checking /lib, it's checking zigout.lib, it's checking /. Should be checking all the correct paths. Unless this buff print is actually like screwing you over. Because it is technically undefined behavior. Can't debate that.
True. Should be...
Shows like break constcast. Why is this
To allow you to do weird things that Lucas loves to do.
Hey, this is not my
yeah,
code,
no, but
okay?
the thing is, Lucas pasted that. If this was Lucas' code, I'd at least know who wrote it. But I don't know who wrote this. And like, well, actually, I shouldn't be creating the code. I should just be creating the code. The code is just please don't return a local like scope allocated thing outside of and then use it outside the scope and then also const cast it, because why not? Doesn't const cast it like can you genuinely not do this? I'm sure you can do this. Our x is like whatever, like 4096 U8s. Can I now do const x is const U8s and assign the x? Can I not do that? Or
Line
why actually?
63. So it's in here where it has the lib path, which is got from here.
I used to debug printing your lib path.
Yeah.
Operator. Yeah, no, it probably wants a.
Is it string in SIG or a S? I mean, does it understand? Or do
Yeah,
I
it is. It is S. It is S for string. Also, the debug prints wants a new line. So give it a new line maybe. Because else it's gonna like cover up.
wrong
Also,
command.
you're literally printing it right after the open.
Right before the open.
Yeah, but like now you're doing it twice.
Am I doing it twice?
It probably will print that it's a non-optional pointer because it's an
Ah.
option. It's like a question mark thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because it wants the dot question mark. Which also I hope it's not set to null. Because if it is, then the Mao.
Man. Okay.
Yeah, no screw up.
So path.
What path is it actually trying
It
to look
seems to
from?
be. That
Yeah.
is-
So now if you do file space and paste that path, does that actually give you a shared object? Like file space and paste the thing, the path that I gave you.
Wait, path you gave me?
File space the thing.
Oh,
Like,
the-
if file is a command, or right, it's a it's a thing.
Sure.
Yeah, it is an elf. Can you do LDD space this path? LDD space this path.
LDB.
LDD, two Ds, like
Ah.
like lose Damon. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
There you go. Sorry. Yes, it's linking of lib Vulkan is linking. So all these should be found in like the dynamic like search path. Can you run your executable with ld_debug set to something? Because there's a magic environment variable for your dynamic linker called ld_debug.
Wait,
Let me
LD.
actually
So
give you
LDD
the name
and
for
then
it
just
as
the my executable.
ld_debug. I'm gonna paste it in like side chat so you
Right. This sounds
you
like
have
new
it.
fancy
Big out
commands.
/bin/. Yeah. I don't remember what your thing is called. Your like
yeah.
actual main executable. So like
Don't worry.
change that appropriately. But this should, because I'm thinking what this is doing is it's trying to load a file. Yeah, scroll up a bit. It's like verbose linker output. It's like yelling at you about everything. Error symbol lookup found. Oh, there you go. There you
Wait.
go. Scroll down. I think that was your error. Half lib. Yes, here you go. See. Error symbol lookup error undefined symbol VMA create allocator. So it's trying to. So you're not linking a VMA. Your lib render is not linking a VMA. That's your error.
What? Well, it should be. Is it not? Renderer.
Renderer VMA module VMA. But it might be trying to do dynamic linking against VMA. Why does it not have VMA create allocator? Because I'm pretty sure VMA is not a system library.
No,
Like you don't
no,
have
no,
it in your like
is-
user lib whatever.
It is definitely not. It is has to be taken in.
Yeah, because you're building it yourself. Where did you get VMA from? VMA is an add translate C optimize add include path. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
VKMM alloc. It's a header, so you're adding a translate C for the header. Does it actually have any source files though? Like any C
No,
files?
it's wait, I can show.
Is I swear VMA is like not a single header.
VMA
It must
right
be
here.
larger than a single header.
Can I get the? No,
VMA.
okay, of course. I
CPU open libraries and SDKs Vulkan. Yeah, no, I know where that is. It is Vulkan memory allocator.
can. Yeah.
Memory allocator. Where's more a single C file? It can't be. Or a single header file. Include.
Browse like generated from the
Yeah, VKMM alloc is just the entry point. VMA alloc. What was the thing that it failed on? The symbol?
VMA create allocator.
VMA create allocator. Create allocator. Where are you? So it is technically in here, in the header. But. No, it should be in here. I don't know. Let's look at usage. It should have something about usage. Do I want to read CMake? I'm sure I'm gonna read CMake. I don't fancy reading CMake right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
But why is it saying a
Okay,
file not
right,
found when
yeah.
it says lookup error? Or is it? Oh no, that's
It's,
just the error. That's the error that we have defined.
because the dynamic linker, the way the dynamic linker works, is it tries to load the file, and if it like successfully binds all the symbols, it returns a handle. But if any of the symbols fail to bind, the only thing the linker can do is just return you like tell you, okay, sorry, this library failed to load. You get a null pointer, which is the same exact result as if you had no library in the first place.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's just failing, quote unquote, failing to load. Well, it's loading and then unloading itself because it just can't find a symbol.
Yeah.
Why is VMA not linking correctly is beyond me. Maybe no, you're linking libc. No, you are. Are you linking libc for your render? I think you might need to link libc for your render.
Oh.
Yeah, you're not linking libc for your render. I'm not sure if that's it, but that might be it.
Wait, but is it just again like this thing? Link libc.
Dot links, yeah, dot the link libc equal true.
Oh wait, it's a comma, not a semicolon. So.
In case of linking error, try linking libc. It will run, and if that still fails with file not found, try LD debug again. Because this will actually tell you if it's still failing this. Yeah, so it still doesn't have the symbol. What if you try doing nm space librend, like the nm command that you had before, but instead of grepping for the init thing, nm the thing from before. Yeah, and grep for VMA create allocator. Yep, that. There you go. Yeah, so see, it's an uppercase U, which means it's an undefined, and it has a PLT entry, which is a procedure linkage table. Either way, that's not the actual function, so it doesn't have it.
Okay.
Why does it not have it? Why do you not have it? You literally compile VMA. Wait, so this worked before, yeah?
Yeah, this has worked before. Before I tried to do the lookup watcher
VMA
stuff.
related anywhere else in here? Are you doing any other VMA related stuff anywhere else in this build file?
Do add it also to the actual executable.
Yeah, you add it to here, but do you actually do anything about the VMA implementation? See? exe add C source file. You want to add those to your lib instead of your exe. Or actually might be maybe both if you still use VMA in your yeah. So this would probably be why you this would probably be why your VMA implementation is missing. Maybe because you just don't have it.
But how has it been working
yeah, so just nab those two. Because you were doing everything in the exe, and the exe already had those things added, but you don't have that added to your lib.
So
yeah, there we go. Troubleshooting. We love troubleshooting.
yeah. I know, I'm learning so much about actually thinking about these things. Like, I should probably do a lot more. But is it still the same?
Isn't it lib? I think it's lib.
Yes.
Your render. Is it called render? Or is it called? Oh, okay, no, it is called render. Sorry, I'm bullshitting. My bad. It should be just add C source file.
I can probably just yank this.
Yeah, you can just yank those and like replace the exe with render.
Bam.
I don't know about tiny object loader.
Well, that is actually happening inside of the. Well, they shouldn't be happening inside of the renderer, but it is at the moment.
because you're loading the objects inside the main exe. So yeah, so that should be enough, I guess.
No. This call is actually done inside of the renderer. The function implementation is in the renderer.
Oh, so it also needs the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, okay.
For now, it shouldn't be there, but it's there for now because it's convenient when I'm just trying to implement stuff.
You just compile a bit too much. That is a very not a very Harold solution. My bad. Sorry, Harold.
Sorry, Harold.
I do not mean to badmouth you in any way, shape, or form. Okay, why are you complaining?
I think it's having
VMA impl VK memory. It needs an include path thing. You're probably missing like an See how there's a VMA exe add include path.
Yeah.
Those two. You want those? You want those in the thing too? In the header? In the what's it
Yeah.
called? In render. All those three probably.
All of them.
Just like yank for yank, I guess. And then you
Oh
can
my
do
God,
like control
can I
V, whatever.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm speaking in like Vim, in Vim Garbo. Because I know more or less how to do this kind of quick, not really.
All right.
And the second I see it, I just know what keys I need to press.
What was the key I had for multi-line?
Block select with control V, I think. You can block select those with control V.
Control V.
Control V, and then just
I don't know.
yeah,
Doesn't
that should do
anything for
visual
me.
block. Yeah. No, it does visual block. Oh
Okay.
wait, you want to block select?
Ah.
Yeah, if you do like 2 down and 2 right, then you can like 2 right, and you can do X to remove those. That's the Vim way, I guess. Yeah. And if you want to insert that thing before every like each one of those, you can do Control V and then twice down twice. Control V and then down twice, and then Shift I, and then type in render. There you go. And now if you do escape, it should add it.
Oh,
everywhere.
it's escape. Bruh. Okay. Control V. Oh my God, what did I press?
Like Control V, Shift I, escape. Or
Ah.
yeah, no, you could do it like 20 different ways.
Right. Control V.
It's Vim after
down,
all.
Shift I.
Control V, Shift I, render, and then escape.
Escape. Ah.
There you go.
That's
Fancy.
convenient.
That's just one way. I guess you probably have a different one too.
Yeah, I
Like
do
that
have
one.
some key binding for something, but I don't remember it. Okay.
Okay.
Duplicate
How are you failing now?
Defined.
Duplicate symbol. Yeah, no, you probably don't want VMA inside of exe now, because exe has the same symbols defined, and it's just like dying because of that. So you don't want VMA inside of your exe.
So I just take away all of them, or like everything that's related to VMA.
Just comment it out for now, I guess. Or like remove it, whatever. It doesn't.
I like commenting. And then also these ones. Yeah, because that one shouldn't have anything. It's just render.
That's just the include path. It shouldn't break anything, but you don't need it anymore if you don't compile VMA and the other thing into the render. I just hope it doesn't need that as a static
no,
thing.
No, it should not. File not found.
Okay, what are you now?
CSTD int.
That's what are you actually trying to compile? You're trying to CSTD ends. Why are you not finding
Yeah.
CSTD ends?
Inside of
Something C standard.
the.
Why is
VMML.
CSTD end not found? That's really
Well, I don't link with.
hashtag C++ for linklib C++, linklib CPP. You need linklib CPP on your render.
Right, wait, because I
think-
yeah, this thing.
Yeah,
I-
that yeah, you want that on your render. Yay! We're now linking everything. Wait, does your render not have linklib? Will this work? Let's hope and pray this will work.
No field name links.
Oh, inside of the module. Inside of the module.
Ah.
One level up. Yeah, why
Panic
did
at
it crash
source.
in...
Oh, it panicked it.
Why did we panic in Rust?
Oh yeah, because it accidentally stopped
Don't
this
ask.
process.
Which language do you want to panic in now? All of them at the same time.
Okay. Protection address return int error. Okay, so now we have it loads the thing. I
Oopsies.
think at least now, so that's pretty good. I think.
And see in it, I think you might need to general protection folder. I really don't like that. Try doing linklibc on your executable, because I think it's still using the Zig like dynamic loader implementation, which is like funky and broken. Linklibc on your exe, the thing that loads it.
So this one.
Yeah, exe. Yeah, there you go.
Oh. Wait, what? Linklib.
libc, not CPP. What is your LSP? Is like, it's a mystery. Link underscore libc. It is the same as libcpp, except it just.
I want it just. Okay. Okay.
You can just type it out. It's not like
I wouldn't. Okay.
Link Lab C.
Is it capital like C or?
Decided that it doesn't wanna.
It's just that.
It's lowercase equal true. Yeah.
Yeah.
All these programmers these days and their LSPs and everything. Oh wow. Is that the same thing still?
It is the same thing.
Or is that a different thing?
It's the same. It's the same.
No, that looks different.
No,
I
it is the
think.
same. It is the same.
No, okay, yeah, no. Can you run your thing inside of LLDB or like GDB or any other debugger?
Oh, wait, let me just quickly take a look at the.
Yeah, you could take a look at your like implementation, I guess.
Because it's also like. Ah, wait, but this is. Were we supposed to use it like this, or were we gonna? Yeah, we were supposed to use it like this,
So,
right?
add this. Wait, add this dot init. Yeah. Public add this dot init. Yep. Allocator dot star. Yeah, because you're dereferencing the allocator pointer and dereferencing the config pointer. Yeah, that makes some sense.
Am I passing
I
in
hope
the right
your
stuff?
signature
Then?
that Harold. Maybe you should check. Where's your signature?
Oh.
Oh yeah, you're passing. Wait, why are you passing an undefined pointer? Reference render. Your renderer is just of type renderer. Yeah, you're doing a null pointer read. That's fucked. Make that change the render from a pointer type to just render itself. Like not an option. Just like equal like
And then
render
take a
colon render, and then an ampersand before the render there. Yeah, there you go. Wow, how did this not like kill everything? Is like.
Let's
Oh,
see.
there you go. That's doing something, and it crashed somewhere else. Great.
Memory address.
Wow, that's
Okay,
a stack trace.
So, oh yeah, because now it returned.
Memory address.
So if I don't return.
Oh, yay! Yay! Yippee! So nice. Wow, it was only
look at
cock and ball
that.
torture. Wow, and it's probably not gonna hot reload because you never closed the library. It's gonna like die or something.
Yeah, no, I haven't yet gone into that point yet. We're gonna have to do
Wow,
that at the
dynamic
end.
linking.
Dynamic linking. Now that's crazy. We should probably try to. I don't know. Now this C file is kind of like useless apart from the this thing.
Apart from this thing and a tour
Yeah, to her
and the
success.
export that doesn't work. That can be removed, I guess.
Kind of sad because it would be nice to actually keep a bit. Well, I guess.
Yeah, it would be nice. I think it's not the root module, and it's angry about that. I don't know. Maybe there's some like hack around. Well, hack. Maybe there's some idiomatic zig way of exporting outside of the root file, or just adding another module or something.
Yeah, but I think
linking against that module.
What's going on here?
this thing doesn't work.
Something zig only exports
that's-
stuff from the root module
Yeah,
because
some-
export doesn't work
something-
from
yeah, because
outside
this
the root,
works.
unless you use the function.
But
Yeah.
the why do I have so many things open? This
This
thing
is
don't
Zig,
Probably
I
just
guess.
to comp time.
comp time.
Yeah. Just to
What about
comp time.
comp time?
Well, just do a comp time block. Like right after export function. I'm not sure if this will work, but we can try.
Okay. Right after
Just,
exit.
like
just an
below-
empty comp
no,
time
no.
block.
No, after this entire thing. At the bottom of this file.
the bottom of the file, like here. This.
Yeah.
I think this is just gonna make it more cursed than just letting it be in here like this.
Probably.
So let's not do that.
I don't know, but maybe it works. What does
No,
making a comp time
Google.
block do?
Google, bro. Google.
Google?
Gurgle?
Gurgle.
Gargle?
Gurgling?
Yeah.
What are you gonna
Mhm.
gargle?
Hmm.
Oh, wait, I know something.
sorry,
In
Mike.
the renderer.sig, like the finger, just make a comp time block, like at the top or after the imports or anywhere, here or whatever.
How do we make a comp time block? What is a comp?
Use a comp time and then
Comp time
curly
and then
braces.
the curly thing.
The curly thing.
Curly braces.
Yep, curly thing.
Yeah, and then you used to underscore equals C.
See?
I'm not sure this will work like at all. It shouldn't make a difference.
It
I
might
feel
be
like.
underscore equals C, or it might also be underscore equals C dot init.
No,
that-
because
that
they
should
have to
also-
pass a bunch of other shit. Yeah, it's do it like this.
If this actually does something,
Then I'll be surprised too.
What is this supposed to do? I'm confused.
holy optimizer. I think I know what this is supposed.
Yeah.
It's basically trying to tell the compiler that C is used, and therefore it should like honor the stuff that's inside of C.zig. So try doing zig build and doing the nm line and check if
Zig
init is
translates
being
C.
exported.
Like David is chiming in and he's saying that.
Well, of course it still works because you're exporting the other one, but what about
Yeah.
nm? Grepping
Wait,
for nm
you
and
don't
then grep
translate
for
C?
Just in it.
I always
yeah,
translate
without
C.
the C, just in it. Yeah, grep in it.
I don't know. When I
Okay.
saw that was like a thing, I
T
was
space
like,
in it.
damn, that's crazy.
Space in
There
it.
is-
That should be easier.
It is crazy.
Oh shit, that does actually work. What the?
Ooh, see, I'm the Sig goat. I'm just so
yeah,
good at
just
Sig.
comp time.
Yeah, bro. Like
Okay.
I'm just the
Okay.
goat of Sig. Like, what can you
So-
The
say?
Zig optimizer is banned from this voice chat officially.
So
Yeah, for
we
real.
should be
Yeah,
able
the
to
sequel
just
to my
do
series a
this
bit.
then, right? We should
Yeah.
be able to just go.
Yeah, and then in your main you need to change that. Yeah, should just work.
just work.
The keyword is should
Oops.
automagically. That's the wrong.
No
one.
fucking way.
Underscore equals C in the fucking comp.
Okay, now let's see some hard reloading. Oh,
Yes.
We still
Okay,
need
well,
to.
yeah.
Can I? But I can keep it in here, right? Also, does that work?
No. Well, maybe. Nah, I don't think so. Then you have to
I
do
don't-
underscore equals at this. If that works.
Okay. Underscore
this
equals
row.
at this.
C is not defined, so yeah, no.
But I don't. Yeah, if this works, this is the most scuffed shit ever.
Yeah, no. If
Oh my
add
god,
this,
bro.
add this.
Bro is
Yeah,
programming.
you got it. You
types.
got it. You got it. Yeah. It's a
No,
fu-
it,
it's
but
a-
it doesn't got it. It does not got it. It's a compile time function, bro.
which one of you made me have that gay dream? Huh?
it was me. Sorry. It will happen
Look
again.
at this is a function.
It's
Yeah. Bro,
Why
it's
is the
rage
thing
baiting.
just doing that? Damn.
It's rage baiting.
I'm just doing a little bit of trolling.
Nope.
No.
Nope. It needs the use
have to do it in the render
root
room.
module.
Yeah, it has to be done.
Because I think it like does
Yeah.
optimization starting from the root module.
Yeah.
This is like some
Yeah.
Zig compiler internal bullshit that you're dealing with.
Damn.
Yeah,
It's
guys, don't you
mad.
like it?
I love it.
Very tasty internal Zig compiler bullshit.
Yes.
Okay, great.
You want to eat it.
Okay.
So tasty.
Tasty. Like Candy Crush. Okay. Then.
Candy Crush is the
Saga.
worst piece of shit ever made.
Well.
Yo, let's make our own Candy Crush. And then
Bro,
Zig
it's
translates
made in the
C.
worst city of Sweden, and it's shit. It's the
Yo.
What's the worst
shittiest
city?
game.
Valheim
sucks,
was made
yeah.
in Sweden.
Yeah, but that one is made in another place.
Okay.
That was made,
And not
made not too
Malmö.
far from you. You could
Yeah,
probably
exactly.
go to the HQ of Valheim in like a 2-hour drive.
Nah, bro, my dad is actually in that city right now, so I mean, you could probably go to the devs and be like, "Yo, I want Valheim too."
Like he
Valheim
wants
too?
it as well, or he wants like
Nah,
number
I
2
don't know.
Valheim. Like you gotta know
He's
how
never-
to speak English.
He knows how to speak English, but he doesn't know what Valheim is. Nah, but Skövde is also a piece of shit city. Not gonna lie. The only good city in Sweden is like
Stockholm.
no. That's like saying Berlin is the
Gutenberg.
best city. Nah,
Gutenberg is the best city.
nah. She sucks too, bro.
Gutenberg.
Yeah, all the cities suck, bro.
All the cities suck. You should move
Yeah.
to countryside.
Anywhere
And
that
farm.
isn't a city is good.
You
Harold
should become
Dotterdam.
like the Neofetch guy. Just farm.
You fetch what?
You know the guy who wrote Neofetch. He just like went off to work on a farm because he got like tired of
Oh, bro.
programming.
I mean, that's pretty chill to be honest. I
That's
could
so
do that.
typical. Bro is an actual Gen 2 developer.
What do you mean Gentoo developer? Do they also
Gentoo
like,
developers, they be
what's
leaving
the
out
what's
in
the
the wild.
Gentoo to farm pipeline? Is there something I
What?
don't know about?
Yeah. No, all the Gentoo devs, they live off the grid, you know.
Oh my god,
And
are you gonna reassign to this every frame?
No, it's only on update. If it gets a change in the...
Ah, okay, no, okay, that's like, yeah. Keep in mind you need to unload the library first before you can reload it.
Oh, I don't
No,
remember how we did this. I'm just gonna run it to see what happens. And now if I go here and then in the init...
Now, if you summon another terminal, I am afraid it is terminal.
What? Anyways, I'm gonna change this magenta to white.
Sorry, I
Yeah, I
make
should be running
horrible.
the compile automatically. I need to be running that. I forgot about it. Automatically. Sig build.
I should like try to load it and it's just gonna like segfault. It's gonna give you a very, very nice like little.
Yeah, I think that.
Wait, there's a dash watch. What mad?
Yeah. Okay, let's try again. If I do,
Mhm.
what should I do? I should do. What do I have? I have gray.
Green.
Oh, I didn't compile. Why didn't it compile? Unused local magenta, of course. I cannot. I have to switch.
Hard zig. We love the unused constant.
Magenta.
Just make it pubcons and should shut it up.
Oh, it crashed.
Now the other one will be unused. Black will.
You know,
Oh, yep, there you go.
you know the dynamic
Told ya.
path.
Reloaded
metadata.
dynamic live, so it reloads the live, and then what? Oh,
Free
great.
med.
Yeah, because it tries to reinitialize VK memalloc, and it's like not happy. It really hates that. That's great.
Reinitialize.
Yay.
We should.
Oh my, yeah, no, I think you either want to build VMA as a dynamic lib, or you want to provide a way of, or you want to link, or you want to export VMA as like as a part of the main exe, so it only initializes it once, because that's just gonna break every single time. That's like, oh wow, this is dynamic linking hell. This feels like Source Engine all over again. Oh god.
Oh, does Source Engine use a lot of dynamic linking?
Yes, every single
Oh.
like not every single thing, but like half the Source Engine is about dynamic linking, and they're like stupid not module, they call it interface like system,
Mhm.
and their factories and their cursed
Yeah,
stupid
but,
C++
like,
constructors that like update a global linked list, because of course Valve. Thank you, Valve. Very
Bro,
cool.
the Source Engine is actually like such a piece of shit. Because like all the engines, like there's skyboxes or like lighting parameters or whatever you're supposed to call them, are in the Source Engine. So all the games, like the Source Engine has the actual like color values of lighting and shit for all of the games it's like made or whatever, or that Valve
What?
uses it for.
What? That
Yeah,
sounds
I'm pretty
like
sure it has.
bullshit. I know my fair share of Source internals. I have never heard of that specific
Isn't it like
thing.
that in Source 2?
Oh, so Source 2 might be a different case. I have not
Yeah, Source
touched
2.
Source 2.
I'm
Source 2
not
is
sh-
cursed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Source
but it's
2 is
cursed in a
cursed.
different way.
Yeah, because isn't it that people like find leaks for Half-Life 3, you know, in like Counter-Strike or shit? And it's because
Maybe.
of like everything's being
But
shared.
no, that's
between
just the
stuff.
code base. That's probably not that's not the lighting info. Probably. That the lighting info would they?
I was
Why
pretty
would
sure
you-
there was something.
I don't know.
Maybe not the light
Something.
info. I don't know. I'm not an expert in Source Engine, bro. I mean, you're the expert in.
Unfortunately, yeah, I am. I think I am the local expert of Source Engine. Except I only
Yeah.
really know the internals. If you tell me to touch Hammer, I will genuinely like cry myself to bed or something.
Bro, Hammer 2 for like Source 2 is the best thing ever made. It's literally better than Blender.
I don't know. I like barely touched it. It's
Wait,
very
wait.
Hammer
scary,
is the
'cause I only
best
get to
editor
touch the
ever
first
made.
one.
Not even debatable. It's just goated.
Oh, maybe. Good
Except that it isn't using meters and it's using like hammer units, which are like inhuman, bro. Like they didn't even use feet or meters. They were like, yeah, nah, hammers.
They felt like Imperial was too readable and too understandable for everyone.
Yeah, and
What
they
the
felt like
fuck?
meters was just too logical.
What the fuck is a hammer unit?
It's like, I
It's
think
a
1
unit of
meter is like
distance.
5 or 4 hammer units.
Like 6 or 7 hammer units.
6, 7
How
hammer
long
units.
of a
And
hammer
that actually
do
might be
those
correct
people
though.
have? My hammer is not like even a meter.
Bro, your hammer is like
Man.
5 centimeters.
I don't know, but hey.
No, I'm pretty sure it is though. Like, well, maybe 2 centimeters.
Anyway.
It's like 0.67 of a hammer unit.
Shut up already. All right, Harold. It's just fucking 6, bruh. Anyways.
You're like your right to free speech has been declined.
Exactly.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Wait, so is it because of
Your
VMA
free
that
speech debit card declined.
P block?
Yeah, VMA crashed.
Well, is it because?
Because VMA inside of your render, I think you initialize VMware somewhere.
Yeah. And then
And the thing about it is that now you're initializing it again when
yeah,
you
but I'm
reload the library.
deinitializing it in between also.
You sure?
Yeah, I called deinit over here for the render, and that is going to destroy the
Oh.
VMA, or it should.
I guess.
Like I had this working
I
with.
don't know.
I had it working without the dynamic library. Then it was working fine. I could recreate and destroy and recreate the renderer multiple times. But now I need to get it working with the dynamic clip also being recreated.
Yeah, ouch. That looks. Why? Oh no, that's not fun. Yeah, that's not fun. That's not gonna be fun to debug.
Yeah, no. It's definitely
Crash.
something
Yeah,
where it's
crash?
trying to seg faults. It's still
Yeah,
probably
because
trying
it
to
does
use.
I think VMA might be storing some like static state, some like global thing,
Mm.
and it's storing a pointer to an object inside of, or like either like a static, like a global object inside of the old shared object that you unload, and it does the new one, and the new one is not at the same place, so it's gonna crash and burn and do all kinds of horrible things.
Mhm.
Wait, also, where's your renderer init? Where do you call render init?
Here.
Because you assign to it, and then you oh yeah, okay, yeah, no, you do
Yeah.
call that.
So I
Sorry,
take in the
blind.
new one and then I call init on that, and
Damn. Yeah, no, that's not fun. I think I need to read VMA code. That's not a thing I had on the. Not a thing I had on the table
think you need
for a
to
Friday
read.
afternoon, or actually an evening. Damn, it's 10 p.m. Crap. What?
what?
Since when?
What happened?
No.
I just realized that the time is still passing.
That's crazy.
Incredible.
I agree. That's crazy. Since who decided it should work
It
like
became
this?
an ad hoc H line 12,809. What? 12,892. I
But it's
wonder if this is the same version. 12,892.
people.
No, that's not the same version.
Accept
It's
block.
empty. Where are you?
Wait, but yeah, it's because I do call destroy. I go through draw image.
Yeah, because you call destroy image out of
Yeah.
where? Source main zig, source render. So yeah, so you try to D-init VMA and it crashes in there?
Yeah.
Weird. It does D-initting crash it. Try just initting and D-initting it without reloading the library.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try to do a break immediately after the first render and see it, because then I have the D-init being called. Wait, yeah, I cannot call. Then I need to make a const.
No, just like assign it to itself.
Then it's it's a quick one also, but it seems like I'm loading it twice though.
Yeah, but try initializing and reinitializing it every frame.
Alright.
That sounds horrible, but
It sounds-
hey, if it breaks, then that means it doesn't like being reinitialized.
Okay, so renderer. D init allocator, and I can render init
Wow, that's a real.
allocator. What was it? Config.
Yeah, and also you want your yeah, and you also want your
and then it-
stupid
was it-
like thing,
was
your
it-
wrap.
Was it actually
Two
called
arrow.
render config? Yeah, it was, and then ampersand.
Yeah.
What did you
Ampersand
say?
for everything because it's a C function. So yeah,
Was it ampersand on all? No, yeah, on all of them, yeah.
yeah, it is an ampersand.
And was there anything else? Oh yeah, I need to upload the mesh also, because otherwise yeah, it will not work. I will actually yank that. Wow, why did...
Yep, yank all of that.
Oh well, actually I need
Yeah, and also maybe error check the initialize because it's like
like so.
yeah, you can
What?
do it with like Control V and like that. Sure, whatever. You do you.
I
You
do
know your
me.
stuff.
Okay.
Yeah,
not the break.
you break. Remove that break. Yeah, that sounds like an idea.
Okay, let's see. What is that? Integer overflow.
Oh.
It's-
Oops. So that's
also-
great.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're not actually deinitializing everything. Wow, I think that was just like straight up eating all of your VRAM or something.
No,
That's what we like.
that's actually a index overflow. Integer
Yeah, that's
overflow.
an index you get from Vulkan, and it's just I think it's just like creating a
No, no,
crap ton of
this is-
Vulkan
this is-
objects.
this
'Cause
is-
you are
this is-
you're running this at like
This
thousands
is
of
from
frames a
Tiny
second.
Object Loader. See, Tiny Object Loader, this thing.
oh okay, that's a really cursed thing then I guess.
Yeah, but because if you want to load it, if you want it to be able to wrap around, you can do a percent after the
Yeah, no,
star.
I,
for
I, I
multiplication.
need to figure out actually why that fucks up, because it shouldn't even have
Yeah,
like
but
that kind of
see
issue.
how that was an integer
Probably
overflow?
corrupt
That was
data.
a totally different error. That never complained about VMA. VMA didn't care.
Yeah, that wasn't VMA.
Does VMA care if you do it with the watcher list? Oh, no, I'm not sure. No, I wanted to
No,
say
it's probably
something,
just
but I'm
undefined
totally unsure about
value.
it.
It's probably just an undefined value.
Wait,
This usually happens when it's undefined. So
God dang it! I wanted to write libUSB, not Vulk.
but how can it even? Because I was thinking it would make sense if it's for some reason deinitialized after it got the new one, but that can't happen because it's doing the same thing in both of these scenarios. The only thing that is different is is
What does watcher.listen do? What does watcher.listen do? Like, what's the implementation of watcher.listen?
everything.
Because I think you need to de-init it before it reloads. Because I think if watcher reloads,
yes,
then
listen.
you're doing it stuff in the wrong order. Yeah. So does did POSIX read? Oh yeah, because wait, so std OS Linux name max buffer catch return false.
doesn't really do anything.
So it just does a read.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't reload the thing. So what actually reloads it?
No, it's
What about add file? Does add file actually? What's like responsible for reloading the
oh,
stupid
bro.
thing?
No, but it should. Oh, wait.
Because it does a.
Is the problem not even in the
'cause
D?
You should have a.
No, but the problem is in the D.
Yeah, because I think the problem is in the sequencing, because your D in it runs on the already loaded new version of the library, which has all the pointers like moved around and it's all broken.
Oh. But. Oh yeah, because when I compile.
Because you still want to run D in it on the old one and in it on the new one.
Yeah, but that's what.
Yes, the lookup doesn't like matter. The lookup like is whatever. It's just okay. Can you look inside Watcher? Because it should do something about dynlib. Where does it like actually use dynlib?
Do you mean in the?
It might actually be inside the listen of the game instead of the listen of the file
Yeah.
watcher.
But
Does it have a list? Like this function, like naming stuff, is just horrible.
here, listen. Oh yeah.
Yeah. See, listen, and then it reloads right inside. Oh my god, this is. You need like 2 different listens. Or you need to provide a function inside of the listen, like as an argument to listen, like either a comp time or anything, just like something it calls. Because you want to do something before you do the std didn't open, or before the std didn't close. Because you want to d in it before the self didn't close actually happens, before line 86.
Like
So
here.
like right before here, you want to do your d in it.
Oh.
But how do you do this nicely? I don't know. I'm not a professional Zig programmer. Ask Harold.
Wait, but
Harold?
wait.
What?
Oh yeah, because it does the
Harold
but
trash.
I could do the listen from the.
Yeah. But the thing is, if you run it once, it will clear the event from iNotify, and then the other listen from the game will not fire anymore. Or I guess you could use the listen from the watcher and then make a reload method on the.
But I could have a
This is not
listen
object-oriented
like.
programming. A reload function on
I
your.
could
on
call
your
this one
game.
reload and then listen, and then if listen returns true,
Yeah,
then I call reload.
and then make listen just return the yeah. You could do that. That is fine, I think.
Good night.
Good.
Yep. It's a.
It's a gunction. That's
it's
what
a
it is.
function.
It's a gunction.
Oh my god. Okay. This.
Yeah. So
this one
either
will
way,
be-
welcome to Dynamic Linking Hell. Population U.
And we will take. I'm a bit unsure this block.
It just needs the try. It's a break block. It's only if it's. Wait, why do they actually make a block? Oh yeah, no, they do a catch break block. I see. Oh, because they want to return